see if it's working though. Let's see if it. Blue, all 5 Pro accounts.
Yeah, 90s, own it.
To blow
Own it,
new evals. Follow me for more.
I like it. The confidence.
Nah, people will love that shit. They're like, wait, what? Someone's showing their losses and games at the same time. Like, they're gonna be like, bro, what? That's what people on YouTube don't do at Peach, bro. I'm watching videos, they don't show you their losses. They rarely do.
Okay.
No, yeah.
All right. Since it's in excellent condition, let's
I
see.
see that shit on Instagram now.
Oh, what do I do? Fuck.
How do I send you guys a link though? That's what I.
Okay, so there should be a little share button.
Oh yeah, I got you. Here, check it out. Gang members chat. Does it look good? Let me know if it's like high quality. Let me know if you can hear the audio. If you can hear you guys, even yourself speak.
Mic check, mic check.
Okay.
I can't hear myself, but I hear you. Mic check, mic check. Oh, I hear myself.
It's delayed.
I had to pause that shit before it started echoing.
It's hella delayed, but yeah.
Oh my god, bro. We're gonna blow it all. We're gonna blow these accounts, bro. Sad hours. Sad hours.
Sad boy hours.
Someone break out the world's smallest violin.
Tomorrow's a new day. We buy some more fundeds. Or some more evals, I mean.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Will
Let
we
this
break?
turn. Let this turn live.
It's gonna turn, bro.
Watch this turn live.
I'm in it with you too,
Let's see what the fuck we do. Let's see what the fuck we do.
Please. Quarter inch though, but it's.
I'm a lot less negative than you are, but I'm in it.
Oh man. That's what happens when you go on tilt, guys. For anybody watching, don't ever go on tilt. For future reference. Never. Never, ever, ever. And always put your stop loss at break even. That's what screwed my pro accounts. I'll be right back.
God dang, there's nothing here. Fuck. Fucking Steve. Touch my shit. My toolbox. Shit. What do I do? I can't put 22 pounds on this little motherfucker.
You see it, cuz? Yeah.
Yeah, it could reverse. That's what I'm thinking. We might have a reversal right here. It's looking really good for a double top. It's looking really good. We either win or it's all gone.
Yeah,
Or it's all gone. Full porting. Full port everything. Listen.
How we looking? Are we less negative now?
Yeah.
Go.
Less negative.
Less negative now. Let's go.
I told you to go reverse. Look, right now we're like 300 after mop. We gotta hold the wall, hold the line.
Let's hold the line. Oh,
it's a winner. Winner or nothing. We all die.
Y'all, where we at? Where we at?
We at
we're negative. That's where we at.
Negative a lot, but we're in it.
What's the price at NQ?
We hit the 340s.
So it dumped?
No, it popped even higher. Like
it popped. Oh, now it's starting to reverse right now. It's reversing right now.
It popped from the lows that it made from 520. It popped another almost 100 points. But what we were talking
Oh,
about
shit.
is ES only popped up to its call wall. But
Right.
NQ was ripping, making higher highs. That's where I F'd myself.
Yeah.
But if it can turn here, and I can
Oh,
go
it's turning.
positive, it's all live streamed.
It's turning
It's turning until
right now. I'm telling
it
you.
does it.
There it goes.
To see
90s.
what the fuck we do.
It's gonna zoom down right here. Watch it.
10 o'clock is coming.
Hit your old school. You know what I'm saying? Pack life.
Bro, if this turns here, this is like the only rising wedge I ever seen work out. Like, I think I only seen 5 rising wedges work. They never work, dude. Oh my gosh, come on, just turned it. We blow these accounts.
This
or we
would be
buy
a
some
wild
more?
day.
Yeah, we will. Imagine the irony if we go back below that 78.6 retracement. As soon as I say that, we pop up. Because we're not that far off. Like I said, if you look at the daily, the scale of things, we're not that far off above the 78.6. Let me delete
No,
this.
for real.
Probably on NQ's case compared to SPX, yeah. But where's ES at? ES is just a couple points above it. I mean, ES is literally just 12 points above that 78.6 level. Let's see if we can get close to that gap fill for ES towards the end of the day. If we get close to that, I printed. I made some money. If we continue to hold these highs, well, buy some more evals.
Let's get it.
Let's get it.
Come on, boys.
What should I
Get
put
it to
some
fucking win it.
uncopyrighted music on this? Let me see. I think I have like a playlist that's uncopyrighted. It's like house music. If you guys have some like YouTube that's uncopyrighted, but it's like rap or hip hop, let me know.
Here.
You said what, Daddy?
Uncopyrighted.
Well,
Uncopyrighted. Smiley. You giving me some
are you
copyright.
using it for profit or not for profit?
Why do you gotta elaborate so much, 90s?
He's gonna give me some
No,
Kendrick
I
Lamar or
already
something.
knowing. I'm already
Put
knowing.
Nick his favorite rapper.
But
Banger from the Village.
let's see here.
Be banger, be mad. He hella funny, man.
Some Bay Area shit.
Man, how the fuck can I take out a spark plug but I can't put it back in? Fuck me. Just thread already. You cocksucker.
Come on, keep on going down. Come on, keep on going down. Remember,
Ask my girl that all the time, bro.
keep going down. I believe in you. Hold it. Come on. You could defy the odds all day. Going up. But now, you're gonna take everybody else out. You're gonna turn around. Walk the other way.
Listen. This bitch needs to go fucking down. I'm trying to see. I'm trying to
go
fix
down.
it right now.
He's gonna walk away right now. Watch it. Just watch it go down.
If it is gonna go down, it has to go down right here, right now. Come on.
Yep.
No, that's how I'm looking
Party
at it.
music.
Come on.
You want some like what?
I don't think this music's working, bro. We're pumping.
Pump it, bro. Pump it up.
Sheesh.
Now we gotta change the song. Gotta send me something, Smiley. Gotta play something different. It's not working.
Here. I've been
get
sending
both on
songs.
now,
It's not working, Devin.
Who sent the music?
This is just the playlist. I know it's copyrighted. You sent me the music personally on Discord or?
No, I'm trying to find something. I haven't found it.
Oh, never mind. The music's working. It's working.
It's working.
Oh, we're going down. We're putting a red camera. Come on. Take us back to that New York Open. music's not working. You need to find a new playlist. SPX is now 22% off the low last month. We're now entering the distributive range that started after the election into the end of February. It's more likely we see
Picks, go back up to 20. Okay.
only 10%
Just go right back.
continue to squeeze too much out.
This is definitely some manipulation type of shit.
This guy thinks we're going higher. Well, he's right now so far.
How far are we away from the all-time high?
On
One of
NQ
the
or
other people
SPX?
I know going
Thank
back.
you.
Thank you. As far as percentage terms?
Not like the all-time high.
Percentage terms, right? We are 6%
Yeah.
off in percentage terms in the all-time high.
Oh wait, have we pumped 20% up yet?
No, we've pumped way more than that. NQ from the
Oh,
bottom
damn.
price, we pumped 30, basically 29.6, almost 30%.
Dude, we're due for one.
Yeah, we can hit all-time highs, bro. This is crazy. I at least thought we were gonna stall at 78.6. It's like no signs of stalling at all.
Thinking we might do that theory that we said we might start wicking shit. Now, like that's what I've been thinking the past couple days.
Look, I want that daily wick below that 78.6. Give me that daily wick below
Holy shit, it's windy.
On today 90s.
Give it to me.
Damn.
Just let me be right on stream. First stream, blow 5 pro
On me,
accounts and blow 3 evals on stream. Shit.
Yeesh. Hey, you gotta get the bad days out the way now.
Gotta get the bad things out, yes sir.
Me.
It's gonna go down right here, bro.
It's a beautiful first stream.
And after that, we're on the streak after this.
Here it goes. I'm telling you.
Let's go.
That bitch wanna turn around and
I
run away.
was
She's
I
a
was
runner.
towards
She's
like a
track
490
star.
drawdown buffer. Now I'm 800.
Let's get it.
She's a track star.
I'm still negative.
She gonna run away.
Oh, this is hilarious.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
Let's get it.
Come on, man. Come on.
Let's go. Come on.
Hey, L, they done upgraded your boy to the Navi.
Ooh, check him out. He's the Navi that
It's the top of the line Navi.
that has a sunroof on it.
What, the top, yeah, that's the one.
Yep, that's mine, buddy. It's my own car, buddy.
Damn.
We're gonna bleed that one out, buddy. Hey, that car's a goer.
Oh, bro.
Yeah,
I'm gonna go.
you can run up in that car.
Yo,
Start traffic.
What does the
Yeah,
title
you're
say
gonna
on
get
that
through.
YouTube live stream? Does it say blue all 5 pro accounts?
Not to blow new evals. Follow for more.
Oh, okay.
Come on, track star. Go ahead, do your dance.
Calm down, bitch. I don't want to fucking play.
Boom, oh.
Come on, get
Sorry,
to the dance.
gotta
Get
get
to it.
still. See, it always works. Every time I tell her, she's a dirty fucking girl.
Listen, man.
Listen,
I think it's gonna come all the way back now. To 21,
close it
2, 4.
down
I think
there.
it's gonna go all the way back down to 21,247. It's going down there. Go down there. Huh? What do you think, that needs? That's a little far-fetched, or no?
What, that we're going down?
No, for 21,247.
21247. Oh, for a TP?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, it's not
Here.
far fetched. I mean, you know what my TP? I want this shit to at least hit 21,050s 050.
Because I got in and sell at 21,332.
21.
I just been holding that bitch. Like, I'm not going. I'm
21,332. Ooh, wow.
Ooh, that's a good spot, huh?
That's a good spot. Very good spot. Just
Hey,
put your
that's
stops
good
at
one.
least slight profit. And
Yeah,
let it
I'm a
ride.
profit.
If we're right,
Yeah,
that was
I'm a
the top. And we're writing it down. Come on, put me back to
Hey.
fucking break even at least. CPI data wasn't bearish enough to crash the market. Still long 30% equities with a trailing stop. Opens May 16th. OPEX and Vana and Charm flows begin to exit next week. They do begin to exit.
why as soon as you say that, shit starts getting green.
Right?
Look, y'all. Sometimes you gotta follow the trend, man.
Yeah.
You know, when doubts come, like we can't marry. Devin, you told me this shit, bro. Don't marry
No,
your
I already
bias,
know.
man.
I'm not marrying my bias.
Yeah,
Sometimes,
I
like when
married
the
it.
shit,
He said I
when the
married
shit
it.
is
I
not,
And look what happens.
you better
Right
you
here,
better
right
get a
now.
divorce. You better get a divorce right now.
Uh-huh.
Nah, we ain't
He's
divorced
like,
It
right
just
you-
now.
sucks, bro, because I never
Nah,
didn't
we
put a
ain't
prenup.
divorced right now. V, right now it's going down.
He
We
said
good.
didn't put the prenup.
I didn't
Hey,
put the
listen,
prenup,
right
bro.
now
I got my
we
stops.
married.
It's a
He
it's a
didn't
bullish
sign the
day.
prenup.
So a bullish day, and just how yesterday was the manipulation on a bigger time frame. Yesterday was the distribution. No, not distributions. The manipulations day to go higher. When liquidity day. Today is just one of them days where it's like buyers are just stepping in because they tricked us yesterday
It's the
to go on
retail
short.
traders. It's the
But
retail
tricked
traders.
what makes sense though here, right? We hit the
I feel like
78.6.
retail.
We're above it, right? CPI
Okay.
has pushed us above the 78.6. Can we at least just go a little bit down? Close below the 78.6? Like we're right
So
there.
look,
ES
this
is
is
close.
my theory. So you know how you said that the hedge funds got fucked because they were going long on VIX, right?
So, Buck, how you doing?
On the
Good,
tweet
good.
that I
Thank you.
retweeted about the hedge funds?
Yeah.
Yeah, something
Uh-huh.
like that. Yep.
So think about it, bro. Like if they thought they were gonna get fucked, bro, retail had to do a lot, have a lot of buying pressure after the tariffs were released.
Right.
So this is probably retail taking over, and the hedge funds like, okay, I'm letting off. But the hedge funds probably are gonna come back in and try and fuck the retail traders. I feel like
This is not retail traders. Like we
Going
ain't
down.
pumping the market like that.
Yeah, I
I
mean,
mean, think
just
about
to
it.
avoid all
There's
the
no
news,
way-
to avoid all the narratives, we've been uptrending, guys. Like, I
Yeah.
shorted an uptrend.
Yeah.
That's really where I went wrong.
We're up trading, and we broke above that area where it was a major resistance on the daily, and we broke that yesterday. Yesterday. This is not no retail trader doing this to the market. This I feel like this is the manipulations that you was talking about, 90 for a big short to the bottom. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Because if you look at it like this, right? And you said it yesterday. I remember you saying this. You said on our live stream yesterday. You said something like if the market was so strong, why are they dumping it like right from the open of the New York sessions? You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So this is
Should
like
see
the
it
same
pop up.
scenario. The same scenario today. It was so strong. So when the New York session opened up, it started pumping. You know, once it started pumping, I think we should look to go long. But the only reason why it's like this, right? If you think of it like this, the way I be thinking of it, I said, damn, I be trying to do the opposite. Like, so their pump yesterday was a drop. Okay, we dropped yesterday. What if they put it planted in our mind that they're selling? So we're looking for sell today, while they're buying it. So maybe tomorrow, while we're looking for buying, they're gonna sell off. So you know what I'm saying? It's like a cat and mouse game.
Yeah, that could very
Like
well happen.
it's just it's just funny how they're playing a lot of game, and I feel like this is not even a move that it's going to take place. You know what I mean? This is like a setup. This is like a setup right here, a screen for a major play. And I truly believe what you were saying that it's going to be a big short coming. You know what I mean?
I hope so.
I hope so too.
But
And the
remember
only
what I
reason-
said?
We're gonna
Hope-
make a movie
remember
about
what I
this
said
shit.
though? Hope is not a strategy.
We gonna get rich and make
Yeah.
a movie about this shit
Yeah.
on the gang.
No, and the reason why I say that is off the chart analysis, and I follow I follow Warren Buffett heavy. Like he's the only one that I be reading everything
Oh,
about
yeah,
him.
I
Like
love-
every
I
little
love
thing that he talks about, he say something today, or he put out a statement. Like I be feeling like he be like subliminally speaking. Like he be putting like he's telling us what he's going to do. And so
Yeah,
far
he
he
puts
hasn't he hasn't made a major move yet.
Yeah, he's
Like,
been selling.
he's still
he's
sitting
still
on
cash.
that.
Looking at,
He's still cash.
So-
yeah, he's
So once
Good
and they
candle
gonna
right
show
there,
when
too.
he's buying.
Good 2-minute candle right there. It was green right now, and they just
Yep.
flip red.
zoom down. Zoom down.
Make
I
me some
fucking love
money.
that.
Come on. Go down. Yeah, but he's cash. He's in cash. He's gonna be in cash until he sees an opportunity to buy. And I think it's gonna be next year. Next year in May, probably.
And he's probably gonna set the new person who's gonna step into Berkshire Hathaway up for that big play.
Yeah.
That growth.
Yo, send a comment real quick on the YouTube. I want to see if it pops up in my dashboard. Just put anything.
Kingland.
All right, I got it. All right, cool. I can see it. Perfect. 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 We'll see what happens, man. Did you find that music, that song you gonna send me?
No, I wasn't looking at the charts. Got me a little stressed out. I had to come back.
Right now, Nick is up pretty good right now. Like it's
235 Power Street.
72, but I'm still trying to hold it. I'm not trying to.
235.
your stops now, Nick. Technically speaking, should be right above 318.
Hold on, let me see.
It should be on top of that wick that we just had on the 2 minute. You could get stopped out, but at least you made some money.
Whatever.
Or if
Whatever
you want to
you do,
put it
that's
more, it'd be at 322s. And it's
not
like
good.
a high that we
Yeah,
just made.
well, you know what's crazy? You know what's funny, 90s? I'm literally at 322. That's
It's
so
at
much stuff.
320. Okay, well, just leave it there. Let's see if
Yeah, because I was like, I don't want to get caught by this little pullback bullshit they're trying to do. I know it's
this is
going
not
to go
a good.
down more.
This is not a good 2 minute yet. I think we're.
I know it's going down more. I just don't want to get grabbed by it. You know what I mean? It's going down.
Yeah, but this 2 minute candle that just closed kind of closed iffy.
It's
If we
2
can
minutes for the
retrace
push
it, that would be
past
awesome.
it.
But
Watch, it's 2 minutes for the push past it.
Just risk it, Els, man.
I am.
Risk
I'm not risking it. I'm doing 5 contracts right now. I've been holding for the last 30 minutes.
Roll the dice, nigga. Put like 2 minutes on that thing. Feel me?
Nigga.
No, what I'm gonna do is,
Oh my God, this nigga
look,
is
I'm gonna do is,
fucking
look, if I had 2
Port
minutes on, I would
master
have
right
been
here.
through it, bro. I was like negative 300 already.
If you had 2 minutes right now, you probably would have been up $200.
No,
So that means you up 5 minutes. So that's like what
I'm doing 5
that's-
micros right now.
5 micros. What's 5 divided by 5? Well, you're $1 something a contract.
You said what? My bad.
$10. If he's
$1.
doing 5 micros, it's $10 per point.
Yeah, you're $10. 10?
Yeah,
I
$10.
thought it's
'cause
$5. Oh yeah. $10 per
Are you
point. Yep.
monetizing
half a
this
mini,
Yeah,
right?
that's
That's
half.
half a mini.
Half, yeah, that's half. Yeah.
What'd you say?
So
Are you monetizing your
Oh
stream?
no!
Yeah,
They
I
grabbed
don't
me.
know why.
This
Huh?
motherfucker zoomed
Why
up
is
and
it?
grabbed me. Oh ass fuck.
Because I don't think you need it doesn't matter if you
Alright,
fucking
we
use
have to do
No,
one.
copyright.
I'm not monetizing it at all. Oh, you're
I'm
probably
Get
one
in
right.
there, Els.
I'm doing 1 mini.
Well, here goes the blow the account stream.
It already
Good
pulled
shit,
me out.
NQ.
What's that?
I got 200 profit. It pulled me out.
Share your chart, Els.
Huh?
I can't.
No,
Wait,
I'll
let
be
me
back.
pull up my chart. Hold on, let me pull it up my chart real quick.
I'm gonna put this bitch on 1 mini. Ooh. We're in it. We're in it to win it. Oh, that's fucking fly.
He trying to hit that thing, nigga. That nigga went and gave. You know the girl Els that be walking around at the TCP parking lot?
Yeah.
Nigga went over there and gave her a rose.
Little thick joint.
Got a little real one.
We're taking it back up again, fellas. ES
Let me
is
see.
right
Yeah,
next to that call wall
It
once
already
again.
knocked me out.
Let me see here, man. Let me pull up my TI-83 calculator, man.
I'm down for
Alright.
1 mini. I'm gonna do 1 mini,
Yeah.
1 good trade, and get in there. Boom.
Nigga, have no fear. Ville's here. Mooney's here. V's here. Let's see.
Yeah, basically, a lot of guys there.
Okay, so it wasn't no major drop right there, but we'll go to the hourly time frame. Hold on, let's go to the day and break it down from there. In the transmission, boom. Okay, daily time frame. We're approaching a major first time we touched that level on a daily time frame, a major supply level. So I will put potentially enter at 330. Okay, 330, and the other one is right above it at 400.
330 and 400.
400, right? Boom. But so when it comes to 330, one thing I noticed it wick out like an extra 15 points just to like for a fake out. Say if it's they gonna dump from there, pull back from there. They what they gonna do? They gonna do like a big ass fake out like a 15 minutes fake out. Have niggas oh buy it's going up. No, it's a fake. It's a fake out. 15 points.
Yeah.
So boom. So that's the point, right? So the major key level that we was holding for a long time is at 230, right? So we're 100 points from there. We can retrace back 100 points because we're already up for the day. Like they can afford to give back 100 points to like the buyers could like take it off and be like, you know what, boom, let's take it off, let it run down to 230 because that was the major one. So in the 4 hours, go down to the 4 hours, and it's got 9%, right? 1 hour. So in a 1 hour,
All right, I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna go take a shower real quick.
All right.
5 minutes.
We're kind of dipping back down after that pump. Let's keep the momentum going.
So we're hitting that key level on a major.
Clear my head.
Yeah. So we're hitting that key level on a daily time frame. That's where we at right now. That's where it's rejecting from right now. But me, what I will wait for price to come down and break the 300 level and then come back up to like 315, and I'm selling from there because I feel like we can come back down to the 230, which is like 82 points away, bro.
Yes.
82 points away. So right now we need to clear. We need to get under 300, like for sure. Like we need like a body close or wick close it that is telling us that buyers are not in control, right? Because as you see, it came back and retested 300, and then they pump back up. I'm at the 1 minute, so they pump back up another 24 points ain't shit, right? But if buyers were still in control, right, that 24 points would have been up. Like they would have keep pumping up and break the last high at 335. Oh fuck, bro! My fucking laptop went off. Damn it! Hold on, let me pull up my phone.
Let's see if the next 3 hours and a half, we can just go down and tag the 21 100s to the 21 050s. I'm a happy man. Happy man. I need some new music here.
So we came up. Where was the last low? Last low is up there. Yeah, this pump right here, Els. This pump right here needs to come up. If it comes up and start rejecting again, then I'm selling hard, bro. Like, cause that low on 300 already done taken off at
Okay, let me just give, just for me, this is like my journal. Let me turn this down real quick. So just for me, I shorted after CPI, knowing that there's a chance we could hit the 78.6. Why did I do that? I fell in love with my bias. I preach this to everybody. Don't fall in love with your bias, because sometimes it can lead to a messy divorce. So don't marry your bias. Don't fall in love with your bias. And sure enough, that's what happened here. So here was CPI. If I really want to here's what I was looking for. I saw top, just to grab of the highs, come back down. Then as the market was opening, I actually shorted here. Shorted here. Was in profit. Did not put my stops at break even, which I should have. Did not put my stops at break even. We got the rip. We got the touch of the 78.6, and now we're above that. Stupid mistake that I made beginning of trading. I should have never made that same mistake, and I did. So with that being said, we are bullish. And to be quite honest with you, I don't even know why I'm fucking so I quest. My bad. I don't even know why I'm short here. I'm short at the 294s. I know why I'm short, actually. And I'll give you the thesis here in a second. But I should have at least waited for ES to go back and hit the call wall, which is 919.5, and then shorted from a higher position just to give me a better position in my entry. And I didn't do that. So I kind of front ran what I think was going to happen. Once again, I'm falling in love. I'm marrying what I think is going to happen or what my bias is. And that's a big no-no. You should just be able to react to the market instead of doing what I just did. Now, the reason for this short and why I'm still holding it potentially is on both ES and NQ, we hit, let's drag this up, we hit the 78.6. Does that mean it's going to be resistance? Not necessarily, but it's at least a pause level, just so we can start chopping around, at the very least. And it doesn't seem like it wants to pause, like you've obviously we're trending higher. But I looked at it as a pause level. Now, with that being said, ES's call wall was at 919.50s. We've hit it once, we've hit it twice. I mean, you hit it 3 times, I'm sorry. It's kind of scary if we start to break above there, because if we break above there, NQ is going to start to rip higher as well. And I'll probably blow the EVALS. But the reason why I think it's worth holding the shorts for now is because you have that call wall acting as resistance until it doesn't. And the theory here is if we can at least close before 1 p.m. cash time, if we can at least close somewhere within the vicinity of that CPI high, that doesn't mean it's necessarily bearish, but that could mean that we can start distribution pattern somewhere and then start to probably go sideways in the remainder of the week. And if we can't show any more strength and any more closes above that 78.6, well, then we can start to lean more bearish. So that is the game plan for now. And I'll show you this fractal here. So just so you can take a look at the fractal that I have here. You have it here. We're kind of breaking above. Let's see what we're doing here. Okay, we're still hovering below these highs here, which on NQ here was your stop hunt. You don't want to see prices go above that stop hunt. So let's look at ES here. Let's look at the daily time frame. Let's remove this here so you can see this clearly. We're at the 78.6. We're above it. Let's go to SPX. Let's go to the daily time frame. Zoom out. And here's the fractal that we're currently in. So the fractal pretty much says we either top today or tomorrow above the 78.6. I'm sorry, wicking the 78.6 and closing below the 78.6. If you go back to 1969, here's what you have. Now, it doesn't mean it's going to play out perfectly. We can close above the 78.6 and then go down tomorrow. But here's what you have. You have the high the year prior of you have the high during the election year, December. You have a low, and then you have that pushback all the way to the 14th or 13th of May, right at the 78.6. You look at ES, you have the high, you have the low, you have the pushback to 78.6. Now, we're above it, but what are the chances that we could wick it just like we did back in 1969? That's the odds that I'm trying to play here. If we can just close down here and close slightly below the 78.6. So if we can come down and close slightly below the 78.6, somewhere, like I've been saying, around this area for ES, we can close somewhere there. I mean, in the grand scheme of things, you look at the daily time frame again. You see that it's not that far off. And you pretty much have a wick high similar to what you had in SPX during 1969. Doesn't mean it's going to happen, though. Doesn't mean it's going to happen. So, all this to say, I should have never entered a short to blow my pro accounts, by the way, at the highs, knowing that ES, because the shorts were entered. If you're the same time preference, let's look at the same time. The shorts were entered right at 6:42 a.m. in the morning. We go to 6:42 a.m., roughly where ES was still below its high. Okay, we went a little bit in profit. Didn't put my stops to break even because I fell in love with the fact that I think I just top ticked it or got close to the top. Knowing that that ES still had a chance of rallying higher to its fib level. I mean, stupid mistake on my part. Stupid mistake on my part. Now, we'll wait and see. See what if we can get that daily close below. But that's pretty much the mindset of trying to catch this downward move just to ultimately get burned to the upside. So that's the thinking. It's a good way of journaling. It's a good way to looking back. That way I do not do that same mistake again. Let's play some music. Let's get back into the Discord.
Stop loss should be above. Stop loss should be above 3.
Hey, where you trying to sell at?
Hold on. Don't. Wait.
Like, what are you looking at right now? Are you looking at different?
I'm looking at the 1 minute NQ.
Okay. They say you were gonna get this out way.
You broke
wanna
that
get-
call wall. Jeez Louise.
Yep.
But now NQ is
Like,
still below
I
its
think-
high.
I think this is the high of the day right here. But if they might, I think they might put up in an hour. Like after this candle right here, I will put a sale. Like seriously, after this, I feel like this is like a manipulation candle. If the next candle ain't going, yeah, get in the sale right now, Get in the sale right now and put your stop loss above 340.
It just hit 340.
Put your stop loss above that. But this yeah.
I suddenly experienced the universe as intelligent, loving, harmonious.
Hope this is the clear. This is clearing up 340 right here.
Yeah, for this to come back down where I wanted to is kind of tough. Stay close. It has to really just probably just blew the canvas. Let's see.
Is it 190s?
Said I probably just blew the accounts here. Should have closed that for a loss there and just let it be. But you still have that rising wedge. That's why I don't trade the rising wedges because they fell.
190. You say 190?
So that's why I don't trade the rising wedges because they always fell.
What's the rising one?
Not always fell, but you got a good percentage fail. Ooh, it's just It's just melting up. Melting up.
Right there. It got the 344. Here it goes. Here goes the rejection. It's gonna reject right here. Come on, you know you want to go down. You're not
They
doing
really
nothing
do,
right
man.
here. You're rejecting right here. You know you want to go
It looks
down. You're not
bullish
doing
until
nothing.
it does it, man. This is.
Not doing nothing.
I mean,
up there,
technically
but
on
you wanna
ES, I can see why.
Come on.
They ain't up there. It's holding right there. He wants to go down from there. Oh,
Come on, man. Give us that close. Give us that cash close.
Close below that. Nigga, 230 is where you gonna go, bro. Stop playing. Take your ass back to 230. Cause that was the last major check in.
yeah, I was saying 247. That's what I was telling Nice earlier, around 247 right there.
What did you enter at?
335.
3.5?
335.
3.35.
My stop's at 345. I'm 10 points up.
Yeah, they just want to keep pushing this shit.
Let's get it. I think they really. I think they're going to exhaust from here. Yep. I see like a little pullback area. We should have waited.
Here. Hopefully this
Should've
is
waited.
top. Like I said, it's
Where's the EMA at?
hopefully.
EMA's all the way in the bottom. They gotta go meet it. Come on, you close below that. This candle needs to close. This candle needs to close below it. There you go. This candle on the 1 minute, if it closed below this candle, yeah, we're good. We're looking good.
We don't have any more news for today, right? It was just CPI.
It grabbed me. It
Damn,
grabbed
it grabbed you?
me. Yeah, I remember I told you I'm at 45, 345.
Damn,
10
bro.
points
I
up.
think this is
Yeah, it's bullish until it isn't. Like we need to see.
I think this is the drop right here, man. I
Here's the yes,
truly
right?
believe in it. This is the area where it's gonna drop from. I really truly believe that.
If we
That's
do
on the
drop
left
from
corner.
here, we need to at least take out the lows, bro. Like the lows that we made at. Oh, this is.
I'm like, where's the
Yes.
top at, bro?
We need to take 285s. Like it's just grinding higher. That's normally what you don't want to see. You just want to see some nice.
It came out. It came out and fake. This I think we're gonna dump from here, bro. At least back to the EMA at 330. Shit. I seen this move so many times, bro. L, if I were you, max that shit out, nigga.
No, but what I'm saying, where am I getting at? What's my problem doing?
Like-
Where am I getting?
You gotta like if it hold this right here, you see how that it wick from the bottom. If it hold this right here, it's not going close. I will get in. I will get in right. I will like shit. I will get in right now, bro. Like damn. It's too late. Don't get in right now. It's the price drop
That's
down.
Too late.
Don't
Too late.
get
I'm
in.
right.
Don't
I
get
got
in.
it right
Oh,
when
you
it-
in?
It was too late. I already got in when you said get in. It was like, you know what I'm saying, instantaneously.
This could be the
I'm
time.
not
Let's see.
motivated.
Let's see. Get another fake out above that high that we just had. But really, ES needs to come
This
back
right here
below.
it's a strong supply zone right here. I see that candle. If y'all look all the way down, this is the first time we get like a big ass red candle like that where they're like,
Oh, I'm at 10 points again, buddy. I got in at 337.
I'll be right
my
back.
stop's at 3.
I'm gonna tell you when to add. All right, like add on to that bitch, bro. Yeah.
I said, dude, I got in at 337. And my stop's at 347. 10 points.
We gotta get you to pass, bro. Like we have to, nigga. Like this is gonna have to drop back. It can't just go all up again, bro.
I was just telling this nigga this. I got 3 days to trade these Apexes. I might as well just
Bruh,
pass it.
That's what I'm saying. You ain't been. Get ready and add 2 minis. All right. I'm gonna tell you when I tell you to add 2 minis to it.
Again, just hit sell again, or how do I do it again?
Yeah, just hit sell, but put 2 minis. Like put 2, so you're gonna have 3 altogether going.
All right.
This is gonna pull. This gonna yank when this yank back up to that 50%. Add to it.
Are we looking?
I
We're
want to
dumping?
sell.
Okay, we're kind of dumping. The speed of this dump is going to be very telling. If we can actually get back close to those lows we made on NQ at 302,
So it
that'll be good.
So it hit the EMA and it's rejecting from the EMA. 340, the EMA. Oh, it's just on my chart. 340 L's, add on to it.
340.
Price come back to 340. Put 2 extra, so you should have 3 minutes going, bro. That should get you to 3,000. Like,
if it pulls all the way back to 340, you're saying?
Yeah.
Because price right now is at 331.
Yeah, it's at 331. It's 7 points away. It broke the low already. The structures is at 336. It have to pull back up, bro. It have to. Like, it's the same move we see all the time right here. The shit gotta come up. There you go. That's exactly what we want to see. Right there. Right now, L. Put 2 of them things in there right now.
I'm at 3 already.
The blow is good. Don't trip. Just put 3 of them things. You move your stop loss to above that. Move your stop loss all the way to above the high. Yep, this that manipulation candle right here. Yeah, you in there. What's your stop loss at?
347.
Perfect.
7.
Yep. This the exactly that candle we want to see right here, bro. Tap into that selling zone, nigga. They tapped into it already. Now drop, bitch. Stop playing.
Drop
Like,
for the sake of my accounts, or else I have to buy new evals.
Damn.
Yeah, I don't care. I'm at nigga. If I'm blowing, I'm blowing it. Come on, it's win or lose right now. There's no in between.
Let's get it, nigga. We have to drop from here, bro. Like we've been up for so long. Like there is no way. Like the market always like dropped when it's going up in it, but we have to find. I feel like this is the right setup right here, bro. We seen the manipulation candle. We seen sellers are up there, 3 candles back to back on a 1 minute chart. Boom, broke support at 347, came down and hit the EMA. It's coming back up. If it didn't go back up on that last candle, at 1040, but there's potential for us to go down. But then again, it's not 100%, bro. We're just reading price actions, right? Because they're
And then what I'm gonna look at for NQ to help is if ES can go back below its call wall at 919, and if we're below that, right, and we start to go up and test it as resistance and then go lower, that's another sign that we're probably close to a top, if not topped. But we'll see. We'll see what happens here. I just want that deviation on the daily time frame. BRB.
all right.
It's gonna drop right here. This candle's got closed down below it.
We just gotta hold it, bro. We're trying to get you to pass this shit, bro. Like we gotta this has to we first the last supply zone, bro, is down at is down. Damn it, where's my chart at? It's down at 300, 310, 300. There's an order block right there that price needs to go and tap into, and then go get that, right? But we're gonna drop from here. It's gonna hit that level and it's gonna come back up to retest 326 and drop down. Allegedly, like we don't know what the hell is going on. You know what I'm saying? There's this could go back up and take us out, bro. You gotta consider both ways. Like you know what I'm saying? Now you gotta manage your account now because you at profit right now. Now it's up to you. How you feel? What do you want to do? And what's oh yeah, we broke that low. Nigga, I'm wrong. I'm him. I'm not Tim. Nigga, I ain't Timothy. I ain't Timothy. I'm Himothy. Nigga, stop playing with me, bro. Nigga, stop playing, bro. This is when you talk to it. Hey, watch out, because there's that supply zone on the. Go to the 1 minute, bro. Go to the 1 minute. You see the clear price action is more clear. There's a zone at 319 L we tapped into at 310. Be careful, bro. But right now we're under the EMA. We broke down structure. We came up and retest. So right now, but where you at right now? What's the profit? What's the profit?
I'm at 600.
now you gotta manage your thing now. It's up to you, bro. What you want to do. You know what I'm saying? Like, nigga,
Nah,
like,
I'm staying it. My stop's at 333.
damn, I should have told you to put Ford minis, nigga. You would have been up right now. Like,
The max went up.
it's over, bro. We gonna drop down, bro. Like, we gotta come down from there, or we might do another fake out to the top and grab everything, but don't let it go grab all the profits. You feel me?
Nah, my stop's at 333, and I'm gonna move it down to this can.
This right here is gonna drop, bro, back to that zone. Like,
Okay, new candle starts in 3, 2, 1, and I'm gonna move
Drop.
my fucking down.
Okay, EMA are starting to curve around.
And my stop is now at 329, right above the top of that last wick.
329.
Yep, the top
We're
of the
good.
last wick.
Sellers are what if they're fighting? If they're just fighting a little bit. Yeah, that's a good thing, you know.
Let them do a thing. Oh, stop me! It grabbed me.
That's
It
cool.
grabbed one.
Look,
one contract.
looks-
I'm still in it though. I'm
It's
still in it. I
good.
got 2 more contracts active.
Okay. Now it tapped into that zone. This could be a retest. This is a retest. This could be a retest fail for another push down low.
I have my buy stop at break even for the last 2 contracts.
What's break even at?
337.
337. Yeah, this is a retest. If we hold 227, we're going down, bruh. If we hold 227, we're going down. Don't worry about that fake ass candle on the 1 minute.
Excuse me.
Where the fuck this nigga at, bro? This nigga talking about he came down at 10 something. Yeah, that support. If you look at the 1 minute, that area 330 is a strong area, bro. If we hold below that, you good.
But shit, I'm hands off. I don't care. I'm not doing shit. I'm just watching it. My stop's at break even. If it taps me, it taps me. You know what I'm saying? I ain't lose no money. I gained already because it took 1 contract off. You feel me? I had 3. When it stopped me out,
How's it looking?
1.
You guys
It
still
stopped
in it?
me out with 1 contract. I still got It stopped me out with 1 contract, but I still have 2 more minis going.
Okay.
Yeah, this retesting that 330 area right here.
So NQ's below that now. So that's good.
Yeah.
I put my stops to break even already. So if it comes back and taps 337, then
I want ES to go below that 919. Start testing it as resistance because right now it's pretty much at support. That's why NQ's having a little pop up right here. It's retesting that last high support right now. Well,
that means 30.
should I start live streaming every single day, regardless of the losses and wins?
Yeah,
Definitely.
like because that you're being real. You're being real about it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
That's something. This transparency just tapped me out.
Yeah, it's good because I feel like we're still gonna drop from there, bro. But have my bag outside door talk. Nigga said, nigga descriptions the passenger have my bag outside door 6. Tall guy with a black sweater. Come on, baby.
Is it United?
Yeah. Nigga named Buckley.
Huh?
On my way, buddy. Nigga named. Wait, oh shit. Yeah, I feel like we're gonna drop from here. That's a fake out cannon. Well, because we're back to the level where everybody was selling from. But just manage it. There's no way. I mean, they could push it up. They can do whatever they want to do. But like psychology wise,
like a smarter move, they would have go down and grab some money, bruh. You gotta you gotta get money to make like seriously. Like I feel like they're back to that level where everybody was dumping from, and feel like I truly believe that price have to go down to 230 or at least like 300.
Man, I just want this to go below the fib. Get below the fib
Yeah.
before the day closes. You got 3
Hey,
hours.
bro.
How many hours left?
You hear me?
3 hours and 10 minutes. Just get me below the fib and let it be a nice little wick on the daily, and then we start to distribute. Yeah, but it doesn't want to. Look at this price action, man.
Hey, I'm finna buy a fucking take profit. We gonna do 2 minis, bro. I'm ready. Yeah,
You said fuck.
Bro, 'cause I'm like,
Okay.
I want to pass. I don't wanna fuck at this point. I want to pass. I want to pass, but listen, I might as well do it right now while I have
This
these
is
2
this
apex.
is you gotta do it right now, nigga. Like it's back to that zone, and we're gonna dump off from there, bro. We already see a lot of sellers up there. Hey, POB, type in later. We're gonna zell back. It's gonna dump, bro.
Bro, this looks. Oh my god, this looks foolish. Man.
Nice, you still in your fucking shade, bro?
I'm still in it, bro.
Oh,
It's about to stop me out. I'm gonna have to get 5 new accounts. I'm gonna see why it only let me get the 1 or 2. I'm gonna try to get 5 though. We're gonna start this live stream fresh tomorrow with 5. We're gonna hammer straight discipline strategy. The way we normally trade. I like the way it's closing here on the 2 minute. If it can close at 336s with 40 some seconds left, that's a nice little candle to the upside.
I'm trying to figure out where I want to get back in at. I'm watching it.
Yeah, man. If you can make a lower high here, that'll be awesome. But we're just. I sold my Nvidia, my Tesla, and everything yesterday. Where's it at now?
You in a buy?
Tesla went another 5%. Woo!
Wait, are you in a buy?
I'm in a short.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, bro. This is shit. TSM is at 193. I sold it at 180s. I sold Tesla at the 320s. Sold what else did I have? TSM. Where's Nvidia? Tesla, TSM. Yeah, we're getting. Oh wow, another 6% pop up today. Wowie, wowie, wowie. So I kind of.
I'll make a little run.
I shorted premature, or I sold my stocks prematurely. Here we go. This is a nice move down. Come on.
I'll make a run for it right here.
Make a run for egg. Devin or Smiley, send me some music.
Make a run for it. Here it goes.
Send me some of
Here
your
it
homeboys'
goes.
music. Oh, I know which music to play.
Here it goes. Put on Road Running Pop. That's my little partner from the hood. You go crazy though.
I think that's the one he sent, right? Recently?
I don't know. I gotta look at this point right now. So I'm trying to remove my
Watch,
stop.
I'm gonna pull it up, so I'll tell you when it's playing so you can hear it.
Nice. I got to sell at 33332, and I'm at 321. I'm up.
Beautiful.
I'm like at 321. I'm up. I'm promise if I keep that profit, I'm up like 570. But really, actual, what I would take would probably like 4 something. They'll grab me. There we go. 410. They grab me. I want to get back in it.
It's a good day. It's a good day. Oh, I can't find the song that he posted. What was his name?
Road running pop.
Road running pop.
Yeah.
Road running pop.
Yeah. And put on like the one.
He's not copyrighted, right? No, it can't be, right? I'm bumping him right now. I'm bumping him right now, bro. Let's go, baby. Drop this shit. Below that call wall on ES. That's what I wanted to see.
Shit, if I lose it all today, then I'm back in the field. Before I did a scam, was moving packs and trapping out the field. If they brother weird, now niggas saying that they want me killed. The rollers fit this load, I'm banging less, my niggas know this. Yeah, I'm paranoid and I'm on 10, so watch the way you move. Needed paper and always like.
Where did he go? He pretty much sniped the top. He sniped him and he was gone.
Not a handyman, but I get crafty when I play with kids. Ain't no the vibes when we around, so niggas taking chains.
I think his client came.
I wanna see his brains. People throw some time that he don't like that you gon' see him change.
He's probably gonna run. He should be in here still. Devin, you here? He'll be right back. We was talking a little bit ago before he left.
Well, I sold all my stocks that I own prematurely. I should have sold them today, right now. But I can't time the top.
Yeah, you've been up. Yeah. He's gonna pass it. I think we'll keep on going.
Close. Oh, I'm negative only $100 now in the trade. $80 in the trade. Let's go. Give me positive. Let's go.
We're with you, buddy. I was negative 700 and some change, but I'm up profit now.
I was negative like 400 on this trade. Now I'm negative 50. Let's go positive now. Let's do what I think it's gonna do and go below that 58 or that 78.6 retracement area. And we're hitting that upward trend line, I think, on SPX. Yeah, we might have a little bounce here, but if we start to waterfall here, that's what you want to see. Let's go. Come on. Drop it.
Oh, don't grab me, don't grab me, don't grab me, don't grab me. Going down, don't grab me, motherfucker, don't grab me. My stop's at 303. Don't grab me, damn it.
We got you.
Yeah.
Give me 1 second.
That's fucked. Yeah, I was down negative 800. Now I'm up 295.
Okay.
You heard me, 90s?
Yeah, I heard you.
I was negative 876, and now I'm up 295.
You were negative 876. Now you're up 295.
Yeah.
Hell
295.
Yeah. Good shit. Oh, that's how you do it.
Oh yeah, bro. That's a good little $1,000 or some change right there. On that short I just caught. That was cool. I ain't gonna lie, 2 minutes is definitely it, bro. If you cast the right position, you know what I'm saying?
Exactly. The right position is caught. Exactly.
Yeah. If you ain't casting the right position, you're fried. That's the only problem. Let me zoom back out real quick and see if I can catch that setup right here.
See if it starts.
It stopped out. Yeah, I'm trying to catch on a setup already. Got. Let's see.
I'm probably willing to add to my shorts here and probably take some off if it goes higher.
No, right here it might be rejecting them.
that's dropping. Finally breaking positive here. On the trade.
Hey, buddy, good shit, buddy.
Let's what's that song?
Yeah, it's gonna boom right here. Here it goes. Here it goes. It's gonna boom right here. Here it goes. I'm not getting none of that shit back. I'm not giving none of it back. Yeah, stop me. I'm not giving it back.
Right, we're back below my entry. You love to see it. Yo, go to my live stream. Tell me if you fuck with this song right here.
You said what?
Tune into the live stream. Let me know when you're watching. I'm gonna play the song. Tell me if you fuck with it.
Let me click on the link real quick. Let me put my stop.
Got you.
I'm gonna stop that. Okay, for sure.
All we had to do was just wait for the perfect entry. That's all I had to do. Let me know when you're on it. I'll play it.
Hold on. I'm trying to just get the quick little profit and get out. Trying to wait for the can to close. Hold on, 90s. Put my stop in there. Come on, go down. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. All right, let me go to it. He gave the lunchbox. We're looking for the lunchbox. They're looking for the lunchbox. They hit up on your bed. I'm like, bro, we don't have time to exactly what this is. This is backwards with the lunchbox. I will text her. Bad, not even. I'll get my phone. Let me go to the messages, the text channels. All right, go ahead, play it. All right, go ahead, play it.
You ready? Sorry for the wait. Shit take time when it's great. I ain't even got time for a break. Y'all niggas late. I've been running plays out of state. Got him in line from high skate. You ain't hear about me. I'm the CEO of GC. We've been running up the numbers out the fleet. Stripes and black tape. Run the 501c3 for all the time in GC.
Who's this? This guy's fat.
Laughing at they deals.
I'm like, yeah, okay, Lil Russell. Who wants a Lil Russell? Hold on. Little Bay Area joint. Yeah, okay, Lil Russell. Who wants a Lil Russell? Hold on.
That's like a little live.
Bay Area. Yeah, okay, Lil Russell. That's like Lil Bay Area. Tap into EMA, so now it might go up. Nice, I ain't gonna hold you.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think?
Sorry for the wait. Shit take time when it's great. I ain't even got time for a break. Y'all niggas late. I've been running plays out of state. Got him in line from my state. You ain't hear about me. I'm the CEO of GC. We've been running up the numbers out the V. Crocs and black T. Run a 501c3. For all the days they tax me. Started off broke. Came out the blue like a boat.
Could go up.
Laughing at they deals is a joke. Never lost hope. I've been knocked down, niggas.
I want to get back
so
in, but I'm like,
nah. Sorry for the wait. Shit take time when it's great. I ain't even got time for a break. Y'all niggas late. I've been running plays out of state. Got him in line from high skate. You ain't hear about me. I'm the CEO of GC. We've been running up the numbers out the V. Crocs and black T. Run a 501c3. For all the time they tax me. Started off broke. Came out the blue like a loaf. Laughing at they deals, it's a joke. Never lost hope. I've been knocked down, niggas so fight better with my back against the rope. I'ma need a meal. All this fire, you know the drill. No IG, you see the real. Fuck how you feel. Everybody get to eat the meal. Sit back and let the boss at it. I've been on gold. They gon' see the light turn.
You see the train on these?
Gold in my grill. Watching my style. I cannot get bitch with a smile. Trust me.
So fuck that. I'm not gonna get out of this fucking short.
I'm the CEO of GC. We've been running up the Crocs and black T. Run a 501c3.
Still in it. See if this
I can
holds
stop
at the
hunting.
top. If this holds at the top, then.
Oh yeah, it's for sure for the boom on down. And I'm finna get back in. That's exactly what I'm looking for right here. This next candle, this one, the next candle hold, I'm getting in. Oh, it's breaking it.
Where's the VIX at right now? VIX just went to 18.5. Let's go, baby. Take me below my entry. Take it below. And let's hit 21,050.
Like, why the fuck is that shit still turning off? Okay. Great to know. Hey, you still in my bad. Yo,
Yo.
my bad. Okay, went down a little bit. Holding a little area. Hold on. Okay, back to the back. Samurai Jack. Samurai Jack. I used to fucking love watching Samurai Jack. You used to watch Samurai Jack 90s?
Back in the day, yeah.
Go back. I know it's not passing that little. It's not passing 308. 308 might be the new little area. I don't know.
Yeah.
I might spoke too early. I might break it right now. Yeah, I might break it right now. It's Calling time song. You on the 1 minute.
On here today. Hello, hello.
Hello, hello.
Where you been at, buddy?
Hello.
Hello.
Where you been at, buddy? Where you been at, buddy?
This nigga.
Excuse me, sir. I'm streaming. I would really appreciate it if you can abstain from the racial slurs.
Yeah, no racial slurs, Devin.
Oh man, we're pumping again.
Come on, man. Oh, I'm in a buy too, trying to get right. In a sell, trying to get right. No, I'm gonna sell. I'm out there buy. All right, I stopped out. Fuck it. Was it 11:20?
It's 11:20.
40 minutes, an hour.
I mean, how much more time until we get that move down? Let me see.
Yo.
Yo.
You guys hear me?
Yes, sirski.
What the fuck? Oh, this fucking nigga muted my computer. Ah.
We hear you, buddy.
Bitch ass nigga Salem. Like, why the fuck couldn't I hear that thing?
This is a child-friendly stream on YouTube. We would like to abstain.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, I totally forgot.
I didn't know you were still on stream. My bad, my bad.
Yeah,
alright, guys. Are you still in it?
I'm still in it, bro. I even added
Oh,
a
yeah.
contract, and I'm fucking shitting myself.
Oh, yeah, that's fucking beautiful.
Hey, what's up, blood?
What's up?
Did you catch that move? What?
Yeah, I caught it. I got 937 profit locked in.
You mean, nigga? You supposed to pass that?
Huh?
You supposed to pass your account.
I only got 937 profit. I'm only doing 2 minis. How much am I supposed to do to get fucking pass? I was down. What do you mean? I'm up profit now. I was down. You gotta remember, bro. I was down damn near.
What did you get in there?
Damn,
Did
fuck
you
90.
get in
What at 90s again? Remember, I was telling you I was in somewhere. I was in at 334 or some shit.
Yeah.
334. Okay, 334. Oh, you got in for the top. You didn't write that move all the way down.
I did. I wrote it down all the way until 90s. When I got stopped out at
I
90s.
think you got stopped out
We were
like at 295s, right?
Nah, it wasn't
Like
295. It was like two.
285.
It was like 29 something. I don't know. It was like it was around there though. It was like 300 or something too. Some I don't know.
That's all good. You got some. I mean, like
I remember, bro.
that's
My
the
account was at like 48 something. Now I'm at 49051. So I didn't made a
40,
band and
right. That's
I
so
felt
man.
negative. You know, still damn near negative $1,000 to 50,000. But shit, made that shit back.
Nah, that's good. You're up now.
The
That's
drawdown
good.
on Apex. The drawdown on Apex is 2,500.
Huh?
The drawdown on Apex is 2,500.
Right. It is.
So I was
Nah,
already at like 4. My account was at like 4, like 2 something or some shit like that.
nah, that's good. You caught that. That was good. I was hoping because I was driving. I just dropped off the passenger, but I glanced to the right and I seen the chart and it was going.
No, I
That
caught
shit.
it.
That shit
Me and
was.
I was turn that shit down.
That's right.
Hell yeah. So I didn't make
That's
like what? I made $1,001 literally. So my account's now at 49,051.
okay. Okay. See, that's the setup right there. You know what I mean?
Hell yeah.
Oh, for sure.
It's
Like that setup be
like-
getting me paid
like,
every
I think
time. And
I think it's
once it breaks, it's over.
You hear me?
We're done, man. Huh?
You hear
Yeah,
me?
we can hear.
I think it's gonna do the same shit right here. It's gearing up to
Where?
find that new high again, and then it's gonna go back down. I think it's gonna go below the EMA. What do you think?
I don't know.
I think
That's
it's gonna go.
my setup is done with already.
I,
That setup was
I
from the
think
top to
it's
the
gonna go all the
bottom.
way down. I think it's gonna go all the way down to like 260. Reject around 260, and then go back up.
Thousands of dollars into this. I do understand.
Let's see.
Somebody gonna pay me?
Let's see now.
Man, that was lovely, bro. That was a good one right there. That was dude,
Yeah, I
that
think
was
it's
a
gonna test.
payout.
It's gonna test that last low at 252. It's gonna go down, test that last low. Well, the last, I mean, hella last low at 252. Zoom out.
We should be done for trading already.
No, I'm done. I'm just
Uh,
saying what chart's gonna do. I'm not trading nothing. Just for the rest of the day. I don't know. That's my hypothesis. Hypotheses. What do you think, Knight? Is that possible?
why do
Nice.
you say that? Why do you feel like prices are gonna go down from there?
Why do I feel like that? Because I feel like, bro, we're like the way it's going, it's not really fully going up. Like if you zoom out, it's
Where
just kind of
you gotta remember we're on a uptrend, right? The move that we caught was a retracement move to the top, right? I mean to the bottom. So price broke through the 300. I was targeting the 300, but it went all the way down to I all the way down to damn 270 72 270.
yeah, yeah, wake down all the way like 270 something.
So if sellers wasn't, this is how I look at it, right? If sellers were strong, that pullback, that retracement back up to 300 after they made that low on 272 to 300 would have that would have been a retracement for sellers to keep pushing the price down. But when they push it down, buyers are stepping in. Feel me? Buyers are stepping in because it's still a bullish thing. They're the auctions they're looking for a premium or discount. came back up at 309. The price came back up at 309, and now hold on, wait, let me pull up this shit real quick. At 309, right? So price came back up at 309 at 1107 at that candle. The seller's trying to push it down, right? That's when right now is ranging where you can use the top and the bottom to buy and sell. You know what I'm saying? Our major retracement is done already. It already done went down, but you can scalp in between, right? So price came back at 1111, buyers sell it back up, right? 1115, 1115, sellers push it back down, but it didn't break that last low at 290. You know what I'm saying? So it came back down and tapped into that at 1118. That big ass bullish candle made a high. So it
But the
made a
reason
high.
why I'm
So yep.
gonna go all the way back down is because I feel like 345 in that range, like 346 is what was the high. Like that's what I think. You know what I'm saying? I don't think it's gonna go back up to test the high. Well, it might test it, but it's not gonna pass it.
It could we could go back up there, like power hour, like the major players could push this shit back all the way up there to the 340 what we was at. You know what I'm saying? Like right now in the 1 minute they're doing that base consolidation right now on that 1 minute. So the range of that base is 313, and the bottom of that base is 305, right? Boom. It's 305. So it's ranging right there. Right. But I'm scared to like sell because that move over it already happened already. And plus we're on an uptrend, you know what I mean? Like shit, buyers are in control today. Like, and we already got that retracement that we was looking for. If you go back and look at all the retracement today, this was a 100 point, I think it was 100 point retracement. This was a 100 point retracement. All the retracement before this wasn't really a retracement. It was just a pullback for you know what I'm saying, correcting itself. So I feel like, well, I really don't know what the hell's going on from here, but it's over with for the day. It's done, bro. What else do
Give
you?
me that
What
CPI
else do
high
you?
so I can take profit. That's all I want. Give me that CPI high. Just dump it.
Let's get it. For real.
He's got back to like $10 in profit or some shit.
I wasn't
We
profiting. I went back
could.
negative.
Yeah,
I was
went back-
negative,
went-
what, like 400 at the top? Now I'm negative 120. 140.
It's holding the 300 area, like that's a psychological number right there. Like if it breaks below that, then we can retest the 272. But you see how it's coming back holding that. It's just ranging right now, consolidating right now.
Right. It's trying to figure out where it's gonna go.
It's trying to figure out, but I'm leaning towards it could go down and grab you before going back up. We're bullish, you know what I mean? Like on a higher time frame, if you're looking at it on a 1 hour, we're due for correction. If you go to the 1 hour, you don't see there is no red candles on the 1 hour. This was the first red candle that we got all day long.
Come on, baby, drop
there
it.
it goes.
Let's take it below my entry. At least. Let me just see
But-
green for a little bit before you go red again.
But I feel like we can. Oh shit! I just seen it on the 1 hour, bro.
There it
Oh yeah,
goes.
I feel like we can drop down to 230, bro.
Yeah, I'm trying to
I
tell you,
feel
we're
like
gonna
we
go
can drop
lower
down to 230.
to 230.
I feel like yeah, because on the 1 hour, because the 230 is a major key level on the daily time frame. Feel me? So we still due for another. Yeah, I think I feel like because I just looked at the. I'm so used to just looking at the 1 minute. I just pull up
That's
the
what I was saying.
1 hour.
That's what I
I'm
was
like,
saying, bro.
shit.
When I look back at it, bro, I was like, we're gonna go a little bit lower. Like, I think we're gonna go below the EMA. We're gonna drop below it. You don't think so? You say you
Well,
think so now?
Yeah, I feel like I don't know if we're gonna do it now, but I feel like we'll do to the 230, bro. That's a major key level. It's a retest. It's like a pit stop. You know what I'm saying? Nigga come over there. All right, bro. Let's meet up at 230. But then
Well,
again, it's
it's
not
time.
really.
I think
It
right
ain't.
here
It
might be.
ain't really.
I think right here might be the area where it's to figure out if it's going to go down because
So if
it's
I
trying
was
to
looking
fight.
for sale, I would sell below 292. Like wait for it to break that area and then go back for a retest. You know what I'm saying? Re-enter at 272, break that area, and if we break 272, we hit 230. I feel like we're gonna hit 230, bro. I've been calling that number out all day. There's something about 230. It's like biblical, you know what I'm saying? The 2-3 and a 0. If you think about it.
We have 2 hours and 26 minutes for the daily candle to
Yeah.
close. We have an hour and 26 minutes for cash
Right.
to close. Let's dump it here. Come on.
And
Yeah, I
we're
like
below
big
the
buys.
EMA.
Make me my losses back.
I like a
Let's
sell
go.
right here, bro. A sell right here is a good sell.
Where you at right now, 90? With
I am with the trade. I'm negative. At the high, I was negative like 400 or 500. I'm negative $28 right now.
Oh, okay. So what was your entry?
My entries right now, it's below it now. 9.4, 294s.
29. Oh, you good.
That's the short
Oh,
that I
that's
had
good. You
since
might-
9:20 this morning.
Wait,
9:20
you
this morning.
from 920 from the bottom?
Yeah, this entry was at 856. I'm sorry, this is the entry that I entered at 856. No.
Okay.
Actually, it was an entry at 846, 10 minutes before that. Remember, you were like, "Yeah, he shorted damn near the highs," and then we just popped up.
Yeah. Yep.
So it's
We
the
did.
same short that I've been holding.
No, it's looking good.
Low now.
It's breaking down. Cause the 1 hour, there is no way, bro. If you go to the 1 hour, there is no way, bro. We ain't gonna get no retracement. If you look, I feel like the retracement is right now.
It's due for it.
It's
I mean, if you
going
look at
on
the
right
1
now.
hour,
Yeah.
if you inverse it and pretend like it's a 2-minute chart, you had the trap.
Yep.
That 1 hour candle went all the way up and then it closed red. There's your 1 hour trap. You go to the 2-minute, you really don't have a trap until 10:50.
Yeah.
Unless it's another trap. Let's see. Let's go. Oh, I'm looking at
Devin.
this. Let me look at the computer.
Devin, look out for your puts, man.
Yeah, beautiful trap on the NQ on the hourly. If you inverse it, and then it's a nice little trap on the 2 hour and the 2-minute as well that we could hold and see if we do hold it. We're kind of popping up right now. See if we do hold this and we do start to target at least.
Yo, if I was there earlier, I would have told you to slap on 4 minis, bro.
You said what?
I would have told you to slap on 4 minis.
Oh, see, I would have did it.
No, because we've been trying to pass this shit for a long time, bro.
Mm-hmm.
So look at it like this. Now you up 900, right?
Yeah.
This is how this is the method I use to pass my test, right? I'm up 900. Boom. I'm gonna risk that 900 for 1-to-1, right? So what is that? That's 4 contracts, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So you have like about 15-point stop loss, right? But if you use this hella minis that give you more space, so the minis is just more space of your stop loss. You know what I'm saying? You're risking the same, you're risking the same dollar amount, but on the minis, there's more points that you can be able to wiggle with, right? But I look at it like this, right? I look at it like this. I said, if you're risking that much, right? If the trading is going towards the plan, you're not making as much money as you using the minis. You know what I'm saying? You're losing the same amount of money anyways, but I'm looking at the return. So you're risking 9. At this time we're doing 1-to-1. because that's your profit right now, right? Or you can even risk 500 and tuck 400 and use that later, right? But only use an
Right.
A plus setup. So you risk, say you risk 500, right? If you're risking 500, we're gonna target 2 to 1. We're gonna target 1,500. You know what I mean? But you gotta
Right.
slap on a contract they can run, like, cause our time, our points that was targeting is 20,
You said what?
20 to 30 points. We can get that in 1 minute.
Bro, your whole feed was
Like,
breaking
we
up.
can
You gotta
get
say
that
it
in the
again.
setup is there, right? Oh, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I hear you
Hello?
now. What'd you say? Yeah, I
So
hear you. What'd you say?
we can get that we can get 20 to 30 points in 1 minute, bro. 2 minutes, 3 minutes at the most. I mean, double up. Bam. So you take that, we're up now, now we're up 1,500 plus 900. Now we're up 2,400, right? So you're up 2,400, 2,400, you just need 600. We just rinse and repeat. We take so I'm I'm aggressive doing my eval stages. I'm hella aggressive with my entry and
Right.
everything. You know,
Yeah, you
because
might
I
as
know I'm not getting paid for this, bruh. I'm not getting
yeah, you
paid
might
to take my time because I know I have. The, you might forget about it. Like, remember what you were saying? They hit you with the rebuild. You're like, what the fuck is
yeah.
this, nigga? You know what I'm saying?
Nah,
Like,
I'm
we
about
have
to
to
buy,
understand that.
listen, I'm about to buy take profit today, and then we on tomorrow morning. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm gonna do. I'm
Grab
gonna do
it. Like there's no way it should. If we
because what
blow
I'll
it,
do
fuck it, we
if
blow it,
I
bro.
can make if I can make like 1,500 in one day, and then 1,000 the next day, and then take my time for the rest, that's cool. If I blow it, I blow it. Fuck it. Come on.
It happens to the best of us, but it's like you know, I'm trying to get you to your first payout so you can like, cause once like it's a different feeling. Once I got my first payout, like I feel like I feel alive, nigga. I was revived. I said, it don't matter how much money I lost. I was like, oh shit, like I can really get paid from this. You know what I'm saying?
So
It's that feeling that I'm trying to have you to experience. Nani experienced that feeling. I experienced that feeling. Everybody, you know, most everybody here experienced that feeling. So it's a good ass feeling, you know?
yeah,
So it
yeah.
makes it worth it. It's gonna make you stick around. But I'm just like letting you know the risk. Like, nigga, ain't trying to spend no time taking my time like on the eval and shit. Then they be like, oh, take your time. Why am I gonna take my time for? I ain't getting paid for it, bro. Like, I'm
Man,
not
fuck
getting
that.
paid on the
I
eval
tried to.
stages, nigga.
I tried taking my time. That shit, nigga, bit me in the ass.
like aggressively. Like if we would if that was me trading the 50K account, I would have passed that on that move down because that goes back to like repetition. I see the setup. You know what I'm saying? So I would have risked more when my A plus setup is there. I was what confirmed that setup from the top when it came down and broke that low, right? And I needed a big ass bullish candle, nigga, to buy up. And once I see that and I see the next candle, it's not moving as strong as it is because we're in the bullish trend, right? If it's not making higher lows, right? After when it gets to a supply zone, if it's dumping from a supply zone and it's pulling back and it's not breaking the last high, nigga, I'm in there, bro. I'm waiting for a double top. I'm waiting for that 50% pullback, and I'm in there. I'm maxing out. Like, I'm going crazy now. Like, I'm putting five. Like, I know y'all heard me say I blew my account hella times, but like most of them accounts is like eval. Like, I'm, you know what I'm saying? I'm maxing that shit out. 150K, 15 contract. Boom. I would have passed it already for sure.
Yep.
Like,
For sure.
just a little
I'm copying me a
see
take
it.
profit today. Don't worry. You ready?
Huh?
You
See
hear
if
me?
we can get back below that 78.6 on ES. Hopefully that starts to waterfall and it allows NQ to go below that fib level as well.
Just 20 minutes. We I think in 20 minutes, bro, it's gonna boom down, bro. Like it's gonna just start going crazy downwards.
Yeah, 12 o'clock, top of the hour is always like, it's always a good like setup where you can position yourself and add on to it. You know, because I mean, for me, realizing everything that I be feel like, so top of the hour is like every top of the hour is so strong. Like 10 o'clock.
if it's not 10 o'clock, like around 10:30 ish, like every 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock, you know what I'm saying? It's just I don't know why. But I tell you this, right? I tell you this. If we find a patterns and we follow this patterns, right? Because trading is just human behavior. And human behavior relate back to all the hedge funds that been doing this for 30 years plus. So you think when they doing something for 30 years and more, they do the same thing on the market. Like when they see certain things, certain numbers, they do the same thing, bruh. They've been doing it because it's a habit now. It's human. It's a behavior. It's emotions. Like they've been like a hedge fund. Somebody that been working in there that's calling shots for all the trades that been trading for a hedge fund for 20 years. He's gonna do the same pattern, bruh. And the patterns and the reason the only way we can read that patterns is through the chart. So I see certain things. 90 see certain things. We all see certain things that it's just human behaviors, bro. Like that's all it is. It's the big money. They know it's getting to a certain levels, and the nigga he doesn't even know it that he's selling from that level. The only reason why he's selling from that level because it's human behavior. He's been doing that for 20 years. So I catch on that. We catch on that. When we see it, I wait for the top of the high, bro, top of the low. Then I maximize that bitch like a quick 50, 100 points. You know what I'm saying? I'm mad that I missed the fucking trade. I could have been like getting some money out and shit, but I'm waiting on this payout to clear up. So whenever I'm waiting on a payout on top or take profit, I wait for it to clear, like before I even get back in it, because I ain't trying to get that shit back, because I done gave it back hella times. You know?
Well said. Yeah, they don't pay you. Eval go more aggressive than not. Be tactical still, but yeah, as soon as you get your pros, then downsize, reach the buffer, get your payout. Once you get your payout and you pay your evals, you know,
In there.
yeah, start to squeeze them for everything they got.
Yes, sir.
Finally, profit now. I'm in profit 140. Oh man, took
Let's
2
go.
hours.
Let's go.
Took damn near 3 hours. Let's see if power
Hey,
hours.
man, so I told you, it's reverse on you.
All I had to do, bro, was just wait for
I
ES.
want to get it. I want to get in a fucking sale, but I'm like, you know what? I'm done trading for the day, so I'm gonna just watch.
All I had to do was just wait for ES to just make another high.
I'm on the apex, bro. I can, you know what I'm saying? Pass it today, but nope. I don't know. It's choppy right here.
Let's see if we can at least go to the 21 100s on NQ. 21 100s. And if it goes close to that, that's enough for me because my entry's at 294s. How much would that be?
294, 10, good 10 points now.
Yeah, that would be close to 200 points at half of that. Now we're kind of popping up. You have like a little head and shoulders going on too on the 2 minute. Even on ES as well. You have a nice little head and shoulders on the 2 minute. Even on the 3 minute, you can see a little bit left shoulder, then that pop up that made that high, then a little right shoulder. See if we can actually follow through here and go below that fib level. If ES could hit 886 and close there, I think we're going to distribute around the 900s in the next couple of days. Let's see where NQ goes. I would like to see NQ go a little bit lower here. For power hours especially.
All right, gang members. Hello.
Yes. Hello.
Hey, Devin. Hello there, Devin.
How you guys doing today?
You're good now, so you know it's a blessing. You know, it's a sunny day. You know, most people didn't make it up this morning, but
no wonder you were quiet.
No, my fucking my girl was she wanted me to stay on the phone for some shit real quick.
You have to go hide out, bro.
Nah, I made sure I took a calculated decision.
This
I
nigga
just
said
had to bang it
calculate.
back
What
to
is
the
you, a
micros.
TI
I had to put up
83
the
now?
minis for a second.
Mm.
That was like $100 to my drawdown. I was like, yeah, I gotta step it up real quick. Hold on.
How was your options on thing on Dev?
Doing fucking alright. Fucking lost like $20 today. It was
What'd you place
100,
on
and then I
options?
came back.
Yeah, my
Just SPX.
shit, the shit we put down, the 584 is negative 70% right now.
Nigga, you didn't cut that shit? Oh wait, the put?
It's for the cut.
Yeah.
Why would I fucking cut it? It's for the end of the day.
You buy or
I
sell?
mean, yeah, bro. But I mean, if it doesn't keep on dumping, bro, and we reverse, I cut that shit.
Huh?
So you can just secure what you have in that bitch.
Nah, I put a 584 put on the fucking options at $24. It's at fucking $7 right now.
In that thing. In that thing.
Get
In
this
that
money,
thing. In
boys.
that thing.
Get this money.
Nigga, they better not deny me or the Apex the payout this week, man. I'm mad as hell, man. I need
can
that
do what I
40
told
water.
Yeah, nigga.
You would
I
do
need
what I
that
told you
40
to do.
water. So this is how the consistency rules work, right? I looked it down and I study it. So this is what fucked most people up. So 30% of your daily gain, right, is how much you're supposed to get. So basically, Apex wants you to work it up, right? So say I pass, right? Boom, I passed my account, and now I'm at I'm a PA. I got a PA account, right? So I'm at 50,000. My buffer's at 2,600, right? If I make $1,000 today, tomorrow I can't. That 30% of that $1,000 is how much I can get tomorrow. I can't go over that, right? So it said 30%. What's the 30% of a band? 300.
300.
So
300.
tomorrow I can't go over 300. I can get 300, right? Boom. I get 300. That 300 put me to 1,300. The next day is 30% of that 1,300 I can't go over until you get to a certain stages.
Like 450
You know
or something like that.
So 450 I
Yeah.
can't get. The next day I get that. And once you get above your buffer, at certain levels, then they move it up to like 50%, and they move it up to like 40%. You keep moving up. You know what I'm saying? So this is why I was fucking up at. I was getting 700 every day, and then I had a big ass trade for 2,300, and that's way above my buffer. So now I gotta bring the consistency down.
Yeah.
I gotta bring it. I'm right now. I'm above 5,600. Right. I'm above 50. I'm at 57,000 right now, all around on the thing. So I gotta keep working that up to 50 to 60,000. But now that I'm above that 30%, I can do like I can do certain moves. You know what I'm saying? So that's the 30. That's the 30% rules. Yeah, that shit's hard, bro. They make it hard for a player. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. They want you to like. They want you to take your time, but it's worth it though.
That's why you can pass in one day, because they got you doing hella rules after.
Yep. It's worth it though, because I look at this is how my account is looking right now. Right? I have a live account that I'm gonna stuff into, and I have the take profit account that's my daily thing, right? So my live account, you pay my bills with that shit. My take profit pros, that's my daily routine, whatever. Woo. But my Apex account, once a month or twice a month, that's gonna be my stacking up investment account. And shit, hopefully it works out. I mean, that's the plan. You know what I mean? Nothing is for sure, but they say a crazy man without a plan is gonna be a crazy man.
Good plan, buddy.
fuck up, nigga. Motherfucking gangland, nigga. Whole team need $1 million fucking dollars, nigga, on the gang.
Sir?
Definitely, you know
Sir?
What, nigga?
You
Sir?
like to exchange the vulgar language.
Nigga right now playing
Calm
Fortnite,
down.
please.
Don't curse. Watch your language, Devin. Son, calm down.
And I don't know if we're gonna get that breakthrough. God,
That's what I'm thinking.
3 more minutes. I mean, I don't get it, man. The 10-year, I'm sorry, the 10-year is grinding higher. We hit damn near 4.5. Looks bullish. At the same time, equities are going
Moving on.
Called retail investments. People that don't care, just stuffing blindly stuffing money in the market.
Yep, that's another thing that you
Okay, that's done for the day.
It's over with.
They might just park it up here above the fib. Man, just give me that little waterfall real quick before the daily candle closes.
For real.
We have 6 more minutes until power.
Tomorrow we ain't doing this shit. We ain't playing with these niggas tomorrow, guys. We're not playing with these guys. We're not playing with hedge funds. BlackRock, JP Morgan.
Mo was going crazy.
I'm
Payouts
taking
shit
all
tomorrow.
of your money. Every single
Nigga,
dollar. I don't care. Then I'll put it right back into your stocks. Don't worry. Listen.
I swear, bro. I made up my mind tomorrow. On my the 150K account on Pro Take Profit Pros. I'm gonna max that bitch out to my 15 contract. If I blow it, I blow it. Fuck it.
You already got you're break even already. You're already profitable actually.
Oh yeah, I'm up on them.
Yeah, so you're Gucci.
So I made my little investment back from there. The money that was spent, I'm up right now, and I'm waiting for them to see. The only thing about them, it takes like I feel like they want me to like blow my account because sometimes it taking hella long for them to clear my shit. But it gets there though.
On
Like a
TPT?
day. Yeah,
I
TPT.
put a picture, I think, on here when I got a reply black. They update the dashboard from 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. our time.
Oh, okay. That's good.
It used to be earlier, now it's around that time.
So I'm waiting for them to hit me my little woo wop tomorrow, and it should clear today. Then I'm gonna max that shit out. Fuck it. What's the max you can get payout on one day? 10 bands?
I think it's 10 bands. I could be wrong though. And it's 10 bands on all accounts. So if you have 5 accounts, you make 10 bands. It's 50. But yeah, you can request more. I've seen Patrick William get 20 some K on each account. So
damn.
yeah, so it's more. I think there's really no limit, to be honest with you.
What'd you say?
The amount you can withdraw.
Hell, we got this concept.
90s, I want to see you coming for the biggest payout from TPT. I want to see you hit that record. Oh my gosh, what the fuck? Did you exit 90s?
Oh,
Nope.
Hard rock
Added
content.
more.
You need help?
I'm sorry.
Nigga, let's
Either
all
we're
hit
gonna
that
make it or break it.
Oh,
Fight
shit.
Burrito tomorrow.
This nigga is wildin'.
Yeah, I feel it. What happened?
We had a nice bump here during 11:55.
Don't even fucking step on my fucking computer, nigga. You up here fucking stepping on my fucking computer. Fucking shit up. Sorry.
When Nick go quiet, bro, this nigga is in a drawdown right now. I already know.
Were you in a trade test?
You know he is. You know cuz is in there, bro. You can't help it.
Yo,
Look,
my bad.
let me get you. Were you in a drawdown right now? Are you up?
Hell no, I'm not trading.
Knock it off, nigga. You know you can't help it, bro.
Yeah, I didn't trade. I walked away.
You gonna say that 900 for tomorrow morning?
Yeah, I'm in it. I'm told I'm ready.
Tomorrow morning we're gonna pass that shit for sure. I'm gonna wake up hella early.
I'm about to get the 8. We'll take
We'll meet up in here.
I gotta take you coffee.
Why couldn't they just go hello or?
He's like, fuck, man.
Come on, man.
He's dancing right now.
Pablo
Let's
funded it
do
one
it.
day.
I think I'm gonna cash out my XRP right now and fucking just put that all to trading.
You gonna do what?
I'm holding my shit.
You gonna do what?
Cash out an XRP. But when there's too much good news, nigga, that means it's like people are buying that shit, man. Huh?
The only good news that we've been hearing that I haven't really been seeing too much is that they're opening up futures soon. Once futures
Yeah, I
open
saw
on
that
next
shit
week,
where they're gonna have the futures option on it.
We're not getting rid of them.
No, we're not doing it.
Just say what you doing, on.
Hold on.
Hey, yo, did you hear me about this hard rock concert that we going to?
Oh yeah, y'all can do the hard rocks. That's gonna be dope. Hold on.
where's that at?
I'm up in Napa. I'm up 5% today on my XRP. 5.68%. That's good. It's not bad. The Napa. But we're gonna be out there for like 5 days straight. We're gonna sleep out there. Boss man got us like a hotels and shit out there, you know.
Okay. You gonna be out there with your wife or not?
I told her to come, but she's like, hell no, I ain't coming over there.
You know you're gonna be having the time of your life, man.
She was like, the hell I'm gonna come over there for? Like, I'm gonna just sleep over here and chill over here. I said, cool. Don't be talking about hold that FaceTime up at 2 a.m. when I ain't doing that shit.
No cap.
You wanna come and push with us there?
I don't know, maybe.
Huh?
When is it?
Nigga, you make some extra cash, what?
When is it?
Niggas gonna this look right, you
Wait,
get it?
The cars?
come to work. Come to work.
Nigga, my license is suspended.
Oh damn, for real?
Yes, nigga.
Oh damn, I didn't know that. I didn't know that. Damn, I didn't know that. Terrell is suspended. I don't know, Dad. This nigga said he wanna buy my truck for 25 bands. Right? What the fuck, nigga? I bought my truck, nigga. Yep. The Silverado. Like, nigga, I got my shit for 30, right?
How many miles are
I said, I only got 60,000 miles on there.
Hell no, don't sell that shit for 20.
This is the first Chevy. You know how they got the newer body now? This is the first drop. And I got my partner hit me up talk about, like, bro, we're doing it right now, and we're doing the sale. So, you know, to get it out there so people can see it on the road. Right? Guess how much I got it for, bro? I got it for 32. And this nigga, my neighbor, talk about he got 20.
For like 50 bands.
That's what I'm saying. They're going to 50 bands, like 47 plus that 8,000 from DMV and everything else.
Them trucks, bro, are not going for nothing lower than 30, nigga. Especially with 60K miles, nigga.
Yeah.
What?
And that bitch lift.
Yeah, and you got rims on it too.
This nigga said give me 25. He showed it. He showed it to me too.
I would have laughed
He's
at
like,
that
still
nigga.
wide. Yeah, that's too. I'll be losing, nigga. I got it for like 32, and I put another 6 into it, like 7 into it, lifted and everything. And I got slaps in there.
That shit clean as fuck though.
But the reason why he went by is he's in a moving company, you know. He's saying that I said, right, they gonna strip that nigga butt naked like 50. They want 50.
Yeah.
So by the time you done paying that, you about like $10,000 worth of interest. Oh, I'm gonna go in there and go eat me some Tongan food. Y'all be missing out on the Tongan food, nigga. Y'all gotta eat y'all some spinach. Some taro. Nigga, I'm gonna cook for you one of these days. I'm gonna cook for you. You got this lamb. You eat lamb?
Hell yeah, I eat lamb. Nigga, I love lamb.
So we got this thing called lamb chop, and we got taro leaves. We cook it with coconut and fire, nigga. Like I would rather. Really? Damn. Shit. When is it there? I'll come and cook your Tongan meal, bro. What you like? Cause you like cassava, or you like taro, or you like yams, or we also have like bananas. Cause I like you know how some people like they eat rice with their food. We eat rice with our food most of the time, but we like use like more like fulfilling like yams, like sweet potatoes, like you know what I'm saying. We use stuff like that. Hold on, Dad. Let me get in there real quick and clean up real quick. I'm gonna hop back in. I just got out.
Sit down. Nigga, do not step on my fucking desk. You will have a problem, nigga. Thank you. Wow. Today was luxury. go. What's happening? What happened? '90s, are you still in it? Salem, are you serious? What do you think, Zoe? You think Sony's been doing good as a company?
Sony? They're more into like computer AI chips and shit like that. The most. So I want to say Sony uses Intel processors and shit like that for their TVs and a lot of this shit.
Salem, if you don't get your fucking ass down, stop fucking with the curtains. How you doing, brother?
Pretty bad. Pretty bad. My bad.
You still in it?
I'm still in it.
Bro, what?
Should have closed it when I
Yes,
was positive, bro.
How the fuck did you not hit your drawdown yet?
Not yet.
What are you expecting it to fail?
I'm expecting it to at least close below a 78.6 retracement. It's not doing that. We got an hour left, pretty much 40 minutes left for it to do that. If it can just get some monstrous candles here and just red all the way down, that'd be awesome. He's all like, oh, nope, that ain't gonna happen. Yeah, it's very unlikely now. Super unlikely.
I was about to say for the day, it's closed above and then fucking wow. Okay.
Yeah, it's just holding up here.
So what? It could fucking probably bounce off of 22,315, give or take.
22,315.
Yeah. It does go up there. Because on the day time frame, it's fucking, it pumped.
Yeah. I was wanting this to go down from here, man. Like, it's power hour, you know, start to just nuke it a little bit lower, but just can't. That's what happens in a bull market. Like we rode the move all the way up from the stocks. Sold yesterday. Sold a lot of my stocks. Like should have sold them today. But like you don't know where the top's gonna be, and right now we're still trending. Ever since making that bottom April 8th, April 7th, just going up. We're just going up, and normally stocks go up until you switch your thesis, and then they start to go down.
I was about to say, is it pumping because fucking China's supposedly releasing tariffs?
It's just pumping because it's just.
But they already said that.
Up, you know, like,
Did they win though? Because I just heard that.
On Monday. Sunday.
Tuesday or.
They said on
Tuesday,
Sunday that
Wednesday.
they were gonna relieve tariffs.
like the crazy thing is too is like you know,
Tuesday.
what is it? The 10 years going up and everything's going up with it. That's what I truly don't understand. But once again, when you factor out, when you just remove that and just look at price action, just simply looking at price action, it's been telling you it's bullish. It just wants to continue to go up. Every time we dip down, it goes higher.
It just goes up a little bit higher.
So I really thought power hour we were gonna at least go below the 78.6 fib. I don't think we're gonna do that. Still not out of the question. We can still do it in the 2 o'clock futures close, which is in pretty much an hour and 45 minutes. But
We're making a triple top right now.
it's not very likely in my opinion. I'm at $390 in drawdown, close to getting to 200s. It's just gonna go sideways from there, I think. Where could ES go from
What
here?
you should try and do is do a challenge where you go from $100 drawdown all the way up.
That's tough.
Try that so many times.
I'll change that tomorrow. If I go to $100 right here, which I'm about to get $100 drawdown. Oh, it went up and now it's going down. But if it does, I'll do it. Trying to fucking flip the.
Dude, start a whole YouTube series on that shit, bruh. Oh my gosh. Dude, that would be a fucking hit, though. Like, dude, for real, starting at 1 micro.
Working your way up. I pretty much did that with the pro accounts. And then I went, hey, I did 2 minis yesterday. Was it yesterday or today? No, it was today, actually, yeah. Damn. Today seems like a long day. We're getting punched in the face. That's why it seems like a long day.
I was about to say, I just turned on my PC.
It was today that I blew the pro accounts. Should have put my stops at break even. Yeah, this has to be like. This would have to be a nuclear dump if it just goes straight down, which it's not going to do that. Unless. Excuse me. Does not want to move down. We're going to continue to tread higher. Well, it's been one of those days. Tomorrow we'll come back though. We'll come back.
And the yank.
I was told that this one. Let me see. Any spaces today?
Sony has earnings today.
Do they?
Mm-hmm.
Or,
Right
or
after
I should
market.
say, idea of risk was concentrated.
That
That risk has been lowered
futures
pretty
close.
dramatically again over.
Have you been to Kava? They have Kava out there?
I have not been. What they do?
You ever heard about that shit?
Sounds familiar.
It's like some healthy Chipotle bullshit. My girl's been fucking telling me.
Nigga, you mean Quava?
Kava. C-A-V-A.
Oh, never mind. My bad. Shit.
That shit looks pretty good over there. I ain't gonna lie. Like some healthy food.
Dump it in this last hour. Don't blow my accounts. Just dump it.
He said, bitch.
Dump it or I'm a fucking extreme war zone.
So dump it.
Dump it in the last hour, and dump it in the futures last hour. Come on.
You know they've been pulling that bullshit at like 850.
Look at that, and let's just go back right back up. It ain't gonna be.
What up? South Beach?
Yeah, the W.
We got 1 hour red candle all the way down. Come on.
Camera goes.
We got 1 hour red candle. Let's turn this account green again. Make this account green again.
He said, make this account green again. New Trump. New Trump. Just instead of make America great again, make my account green again.
Make my account green again.
We gotta make some hats like that. Make my port green again. Make my account green again. And then we could really have MAGA hats. Make account green again.
Make account green again. Come on, let's distribute here. Let's just go below that 61.8. You got 38 minutes to do it. Come on, I believe you. Don't blow my account. Bro, this music, this house music, like, I don't listen to a lot of house music, but I'm red, and I'm just grooving.
Hell yeah, bruh. Fucking just gotta be chilling, bruh.
Let's go. Come on. Dump it lower. Dump it lower. Let this be the time. Dump it. Dump it. Dump it. Red candle. Red candle. All the way down. Okay. Talk to me. Okay. Can we get a bar pattern like this? We just go straight up. Can we? Don't hold me, just sleepy. President should never take gifts from foreign powers, MAGA, then send back Statue of Liberty to France.
They're saying that Trump shouldn't have taken the fucking plane because they got a $600 million fucking Boeing jet for Air Force One.
Okay.
And Trump took it. And the fucking media asked him, "Oh, don't you think it's fucking, you shouldn't take a gift from another country?" They're like, bitch, shut the fuck up. Who the fuck asked you? Like, for real, bro. He's like, dude, the fucking Air Force One jet is 50 years old.
Wow.
Nigga, I mean, I would want another jet too, nigga. Fuck. If somebody's just giving it to you, fuck it, take it. Everybody's like, oh, you shouldn't have taken the jet, blah, blah, blah.
And we're pumping, you son of a gun. Well, you hate to see it. Really do.
I want to go to Miami. I've never been in Miami, bro.
I want this account to go green.
He said, I want to go green again.
I want to go green again. That's all I want.
Let's start a movement. I want to go green again.
Come on, Trump. Please give me my green card.
He said, give me another green card. I'm fucking weak.
Velo's got to be anywhere from 99 to an hour. Got the crack and back grip here. I'm going to swing BB cores. I'm swinging a composite. I'm not trying to get my hands lit up. We'll jump to some V-Sers and drop fives later on as well here. I'm going to take a few here, see what...
Well, I think I'm going to close my position here.
He's like, we'll work on that shit tomorrow, bro.
We'll work on it tomorrow. We'll see what tomorrow holds. I don't think we're going to get that downward move under the 78.6. Too far.
Maybe in Asia session.
Yeah, unfortunately.
No, for real.
Very unfortunate series of events here. Can't win.
Hey, bro, there's still 20 minutes, 30 minutes left in the market. You never know.
Yeah, you do never know. Let's just go to the CPI highs. Let's take a look at what the daily looks like on ES. ES, we're still above that 78.6. NQ, obviously still
This nigga. Look what I just sent you. This nigga is so fucking arrogant.
Who is?
Look at that I just sent you on Instagram.
That's why it bounces.
He's like, gotta get out the, gotta get. It's meant for you to get out the dirt.
Get out the mud.
Gotta get it out the mud. That's exactly what I was thinking too. Okay, this nigga's actually going crazy. I really, really, really want a short here.
How much is the puts right now? half an hour for this. Close below the 78.6. Oh no, we have an hour and 26 minutes. The S&P is now positive in the year to date.
I wonder what this Sony earnings call is gonna sound like.
For real. This is such bullish price action, and I'm still holding my shorts.
We're at all-time highs from the past 5 years. Right now at Sony.
This is crazy. For Sony?
Mhm.
Sony is nearing its final high.
Mhm. They IPO'd at 124. God damn.
Okay, yeah, probably SPX is 6,000, I think, is what is going to happen here. Before some downside, potentially.
That's what I'm thinking too.
Yeah, I honestly thought the 78.6 was going to deviate and close lower. I honestly thought that.
You want to know why? I feel like we're going too higher. It's because of the OPEX, bruh. It's way too many calls. They're not gonna let it go that down. They're not gonna push it down.
Oh, OPEX is this?
Somebody has $120 million in calls right now. They haven't closed since fucking when Trump said buy stocks. Today's the best day to buy stocks. Apparently they expire at the end of this week.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Is it this week? Or on April 22nd, he bought them. Look at what I reposted. Here, now I'll just send it to you.
On Twitter?
Yeah, on Twitter.
Alright, send it to me. We just reposted. I can see.
What'd you say? Hold on. Let me pause my music. What'd you say?
Post it.
Hold on. What'd you say?
Did you repost or are you gonna send it?
I reposted it and I sent it to you right now. DMs.
This is wild. This trader is up 120 million in 20 days. On April 22nd, while markets were deep red, he bought 5.7 million worth of SPX calls, 11% OTM and expiring May 16th. They are now worth 126 million, and he hasn't sold. Wow, May 16th is that's OPEX.
Mm-hmm.
Interesting. Interesting. When was that tweet? When was that made? 10:46 a.m. Where's Camcar Sam, man? Why is he silent? He owes me an apology for shorting this ring.
It's your fault.
2700 ETH. Is he bumping right now?
Yeah, ETH is bumping right now. I was thinking about selling it.
ETH is flying right now.
I know. I was like, yeah, I'm not selling it, I guess.
Everything for me is getting to a level that's overpriced, but shit, who knows? Who knows?
Now it's starting to get back into my theory where I think we might pierce all-time highs, like we said.
Yeah, there's a chance.
90s, imagine we fucking predict this fucking crash to a T, bruh. We're gonna have to fucking go on a podcast about this, bruh. The whole gang, bruh. We gonna be nigga, together, we made $150 million.
We threw everything
That
at
should
the
be
short,
fucking wild.
We printed. But we didn't make a lot at the short. What made us a lot of money was buying the dip. We bought a lot of stocks that were quote unquote dead, and we're just filthy rich.
No, bruh. Honestly, bruh. That's what's gonna be the play in this recession. Because, you know, shit's gonna go down. But I feel like as we're going down, shit's gonna go up too. Certain companies, though. So right now, what I'm trying to position myself to do is figure out what companies I'm gonna be buying to go up on the way down. You understand what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
I think
Devin.
Rig is gonna be one of them.
Obviously, the one I told you a while back. Buy that one.
Yeah, nigga, fuck that company, nigga.
Oh my god, I was waiting
Fucking
for that
shit
reaction.
lost like 30 fucking percent. How the fuck does shares go down 30 fucking percent?
Bad.
How
Like,
the
I
fuck?
don't honestly, I don't get it because he was just talking about it, and
I don't
I've
give a
seen
fuck,
him
bro. It was
talk
just
about it
$100.
2 or 3 times.
Fuck that nigga, bro. Fuck him in the stock place. It's fucking rug puller.
Bro, that was just like, what? That
He
happened
used me
30%.
for his exit liquidity. Fucking bitch.
Dump it. You got 15 minutes to dump it. Go. Do it. Do it.
You say that shit right as I get entered in my shorts.
Do it now.
I can't believe that nigga used to be the governor of California for real.
I forgot about that. When was that?
Fucking not too long ago, bro.
Fuck, I totally spaced that. Did he actually
Dump
do
it,
that?
baby.
I can't
Dump it.
remember.
Dump it.
Jungle Green right here. Yeah, bro.
Bitch, if you fucking go green right here. Oh my god.
Jim Cramer just said on CNBC, this was yesterday, it's better to stay in, stay on, and let her ride in this market. And he's right. For fuck's sake. My goodness gracious.
Stay in, stay on, and let her ride. I know, that's what I was saying, bruh. Even Kramer's talking about stay in, stay on, and let her ride. Bitch. He probably got puts at the top. He probably is still in profit on these puts right now, right? He's probably like, I'm chilling. I'm still up like 5 mil. I wonder what his stock portfolio looks like.
Craziness.
You can really look up people's stock portfolios?
I'm sure.
Like, you can find mine right now?
No idea about that one.
So that's my question.
We
How the
got
fuck do these niggas get this
13
information?
minutes until the cash close, and then after that, we got an hour until futures close.
Shit the bed.
We're working with.
Go down.
Alright, yeah, that's 100.
Stop biting the blood. Fucking retail traders. Just sell all your stocks.
Oh my god!
Sell everything.
What?
Sell it all. Now.
You have to time it
Sell
up
it.
so perfect, bro.
Sell it. Sell it.
Oh my god! Dude, what? We're on the board! You have to time it up so perfect, bro. That is really difficult to get to.
Just put me in profit, please. Would appreciate it.
Oh, 102, baby. That was hammered. That's all I can do, man. Come on. Only backside. Backside hundreds. Turn one around. Turn one around.
Yo, do you remember when I was talking to you about like trying to figure out how to fucking get out of state license plate?
That's all I got.
Don't you just get a P.O. box out of state?
No, so basically, South Dakota.
So difficult. I know. To
South
get
Dakota,
the
you
barrel
don't have to
out
have a
of the plate on
residency
this.
anymore. With being said,
Oh man.
I asked my insurance though, because I just
Dude,
got
that's
insurance on my
so
BRZ
fast.
because my Buckeye is just about to be done with work because the fucking
We pulled the ball, baby. Hitting the ball was difficult. Don't get me wrong.
I was asking about the Baja because it was gonna be, you know, licensed or included in Saudi, but though I got no residency there, living in California the whole time. And he's like, you're probably gonna have to call South Dakota AAA or whatever progressive, and I'm like, well, fuck. Because I asked him like, does it require a
Oh my god, what a pop!
You guys,
Dude. That is my sign to stay the fuck out of the fucking market, nigga. What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that? What?
Nuke it for the love of everything great.
Yo. I look down for 1 second and all I hear is ding.
I'm about to blow my account live.
So were you here when I was telling 90s this?
What?
You should take his account down to $100.
No, I was here.
And make it all the way back.
He can do it. I'm gonna damn well he can.
Dude, and watch this shit just fucking dump.
You got 4 minutes till that algorithm.
Some of them just
That
have a little bit of
12:55
attitude.
at 5 minutes before close, cash close algorithm.
Yeah, that's what we like to see. There we go. And I know we'll have some guys yapping in the comments if we don't swing a wood bat here. So I'm gonna...
just for the people. You're gonna blow your hands for the people.
Yeah. All right, we got little King of Juco 34-inch Max Fat Pro XR here. Oh, dude, I almost lit. Okay.
Let's not hit the camera.
None of that. Okay, swing hard. Let's go.
Come on.
Ow! Yikes.
There we go.
That rung me up, dude.
Well, should I move my stops to break even? I'm not in profit.
That hurts so bad.
Let me see.
You're in profit now?
Finally, yeah, I'm in profit. $100.
I thought you exited now. I thought you fucking exited by now. Fuck.
Even that.
Shit the bed. Shit the bed.
Dude, my hand is just so lit up, bro. That even hurt.
Lower.
Hold on, dude. That freaking.
You wanna switch? You can switch a little bit if you want.
Yeah, well, let me just check.
Go take a little break.
Yeah, good call.
All right, the mac and cheese. This is my bat right here. That's way harder than that. That's 110. Wait for it. Come on, give me 110. Wait for it. 111!
Now it's starting to come down.
Yes. See ya.
Dude, this is my favorite bat of all time.
Break that thing down.
440. I love you, mac and cheese. I like.
You got 3 minutes until the algorithm.
Seeds everywhere, bro. Oh my god. 110, bro.
What?
Jesus. This is the most squared up of 100 mile an hour fastball.
This is too easy.
What happens when we do it every day?
Huh. Let me try a couple off the tee. Oh, dude, I might be out. That lit me up.
No, dude.
That freaking lit me up right there.
Probably, is it him blowing you too?
No.
Can we make some money back on stream while I'm watching
off
Bat
of
Bros?
100.
Can we make some money back on stream while I'm watching Bat Bros?
I'm different. I'm different.
Can we make some money back while I'm watching YouTube videos? Oh man, as soon as I say that, it's freaking kind of ramping up.
90s, it's all your fucking fault. What the fuck?
Now it's
What the
ramping
fuck
up.
is this?
I'm kind of sad here. Oh my, now I'm negative. Come on, man.
Bro,
Yes,
you just made me think
I'm
that
at
it's just
1,000.
like...
I'm close to 1,000. I'm close to 1,000 drawdown now. that was at 200 earlier. Oh my goodness gracious! Let's play some bangers here.
well, fuck. How do I boost oil pressure without?
Let's go, baby.
Okay, I gotta figure this out.
Take us lower. Take us lower. Take us lower.
Make my account green again. MAGA.
Make my account green again. Make my account green again. Make my account green again.
Make account green again, MAGA.
Before the daily close, before the futures close, not the cash close, the futures close. Let's nuke it, baby. Let's nuke it.
I wanted to just fucking dump that hoe.
I'm just bumping fucking house music in my life.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh my gosh.
Oh, let's
that
go.
is beautiful.
Woo.
That shit is beautiful. Oh my
What a
gosh.
roller coaster. What a roller coaster.
What an emotional roller coaster.
Let's go. We still got room. We still got more room to go to the downside.
Check it down.
We just hit that 60, the 78.6. So we could have a little bounce here, but nah, come on. You got 29 seconds. Oh, that was the 55 algorithm right there. Should I put a stop at break even now? Yeah, I should, huh?
Yeah, man.
Alright, I have 8 contracts, so that's 24. My stop is there. Take profit is gonna be 221, 140. The girls there. Come on, baby. Way to stay in the trade though, shit.
For real.
Dude, I was like at $200 drawdown at one point. Now I'm back to 1200 drawdown.
I know.
Wow.
That shit was amazing.
Don't go up, man. Just dump it. Dump it. Come on.
Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Damn, bro, it's like bumping a little bit, man. What's up? Down. You want to go down. You tag that 78.6 trace me, now you're bouncing? Nah. Go down. Go down. So many times we've been sitting around in this area. Go down. Go down.
Bitch, go the fuck down. Go down. Now. Bad girl.
Oh,
Bad.
Ooh. Oh, it's gonna stop
We
me.
should have
up,
took
bro.
profit.
Oh, it's gonna stop me up. Stop me up. Well,
Bing.
got out. Not $1,000.
And then it's just gonna fail more.
Watch. I'm good then. Fuck it. Like I got out at that trade. I was negative 600 on that trade.
That shit was fucked.
Lucidum in our past Bellum lucidum Scipios lucidum in our past Bellum lucidum Scipios lucidum in our past Bellum lucidum.
Man. course it keeps on dumping.
You know, ain't that some shit? got how many? We got 55 minutes for the daily close. Futures, 55 minutes. ES, we're below the fib levels on ES now. Q needs way more to go. So it might not do it this hour.
I think we might fuck around here.
Once again, ES is below that 78.6. NQ needs more points to get below that 78.6. NQ needs 120 points to get below that. On NQ. I don't think we're gonna do that today, but let's see.
I'm about to get high as fuck. You ready, boys? Well, I guess we're dumping still.
Yeah, should have held my shorts.
Me too.
Broke even on those shorts. I should have just held them. I would have been a little bit more in profit. So we have 50 more minutes of this hour we will close. Like I said, ES is below the fib, which is what you want to see for distribution. Well, that's what you want to start to see. ES needs way more. See if ES. We just took out that low on NQ, the recent low. I got into another short at 262s. Now my stops are at 260s. See if we can continue to waterfall here. Since we broke those lows. Let's go, come on. Continue to waterfall.
Let's get it. Come on. I'm in it. I'm in it to win it.
Don't take me out of that. Let's go lower. Come on.
Come on, tank that 200 MA. I want to see it go right through there.
If this path continues to sustain the way it has been ever since we got that 1250 pop up, remember the one that's you're like shit, like it stopped you out before market close. If we continue this path, we could probably close around 100s on MQ if we continue this path. It's big if. If we continue this path.
I would love that. Come on, bitch, let's go. Down, 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 down. I wonder what they're gonna say for this earnings call.
When is it? After futures or?
Yeah, it's at 2 p.m. 2 p.m.
2 p.m.
Yeah, let me check. Let me know if there's a green fuck you candle. Yeah, I'm about to get packed out. Alright, earnings is at they fucking move their earnings dates? These motherfuckers, what? Can make no sense. Yeah, it should be today. Tomorrow, actually. Fuck. Oh yeah, it is tomorrow. My stupid ass. Yeah. Aftermarket. Sony Q4 earnings preview. Spin-off plans. Tariff-driven console prices. Film state focus. I think this is gonna print tomorrow. Let's see what the fuck these niggas are on. Oh. Oh. Yeah, Uber did pretty good today after earnings. What's up, fat nigga? Why you so fucking big, nigga? Why you so fucking big? You're fucking heavy as fuck, boy. Still haven't gotten taken out. Damn 90s, the market's fucking you today. They're not trying to pay 90 today. They're like, you've been hitting us too much. The hedge funds were watching your stream, bro. They were like, bro, let's just get this nigga up, bro.
The trade idea is very much valid though right now on ES. We're back below that 78.6 bid level. That's really what I wanted. So we're probably gonna chop around here for a little bit.
I can see that.
But we are below. As long as it goes below the 78.6.
Mm-hmm. Yep, UNH. I knew put on UNH was fucking hit. Down 17%. UNH is down 46% this month.
What is?
United Healthcare.
Oh, I was watching, looking at that on Twitter. Can we get here?
Yeah, premiums on Sony calls are hella low. It's about to be perfect if I hit.
I would really like for SPX see if we can close towards that CPI high. And if that
Where's that at?
ES, that's at 885s. When we get there, close somewhere around that region. If it does that, then I think NQ has a chance to just go right below the fib. It has a chance to go right below the fib. I'm gonna put my stops at break even here. Oh shit, I just let it ride out a little bit. I can let it ride out a little bit.
Where'd you enter at?
I entered really low, bro. I entered mine at 255s.
255s, yeah.
Off the distance slightly. Original entry, I should have left there. Is that pretty much a few minutes?
No, fuck yeah.
But the thing is, like, I was close to blowing the account. Now I'm about $1,000 drawdown. That's all I need to work this up higher.
Nah, for sure. This fucking bullshit. Stop being a slut and just go down.
I should technically put my stops at break even here because we're so damn low. In case it doesn't want to go back down. down.
Oh, yep.
I want to see it take out those lows, and then I'll put my stuff to break even.
That's so important. And it's going down. 90s and make some money. 90s.
I closed it in a little bit of profit. That trade, I was negative like $400. Should have left it open though. I would have been $400 in profit, $500.
All good. It's all good.
So.
But my drawdown was at 200. My drawdown now it's at 1,000. So.
Are you still in it, cuz?
No, I've been out. I've just been we're trying to figure this little Lego stuff out. I've been just talking to Rachel about the little Lego one. No, I'm not in. I've been out.
Wait,
I'm not trading no more.
Nigga?
August the 19th to the 23rd, and then December. And so look, my annual pass expires December 28th. Gonna go in August, and I'll try and go back again sometime around December for Kiss's birthday. I don't know when yet, but in that area before the 28th.
Okay. Alrighty. Let's get it.
What she texted me yesterday, she said, once you guys figure out where you guys are going to stay, when we go to Legoland, let me know before I look at the Legoland hotel, and she said I can't afford it. I just need to, she said I can afford it, I just need to know in order to save properly. If you guys do go somewhere else, I just want to try and go to the same place. I said we haven't talked about it yet, but just start saving. She said, I'm gonna be saving 200-300 out of each check all the way up. Here.
Dude, I'm like, yeah, dude, move back.
Next month, first check, I'm gonna buy her tickets, and I'm gonna take my money and I'm gonna get this ticket 24 hours away from me. That's not bad right off. How much do you think I should have saved for spending money though? Because I know it's expensive.
Wait, what's only 4 hours away?
Legoland from her.
Oh, well, she's in Visalia, so from her, Bakersfield's on far.
I said, it's expensive if you want to buy her souvenirs and all the extra shit because Legos are expensive. My dad dropped a bag on buying Tayson and the kids souvenirs.
You said extra $1,000.
I said we had $1,000 spending budget aside from the hotel and our tickets. Food can be expensive because fuck it, we're in 2025 and it's a theme park.
It's a theme park and everything else is expensive.
I said it. I was very clear.
We're not paying for it.
I said $1,000.
Okay. If you bring money.
He said, holy fuck.
Yeah, I remember you're in a touristy area, Carl. About to teleport.
Yeah, he said, holy fuck. And I'm like, yeah, well, shoot, I'm gonna just save all I can into my pocket because I know that he'll throw down for her experience. And then I sent her that. Which one are you looking at? So I told her to get the 2-day hopper.
3-day free park.
Yes. And I said, which one are you looking at? I recommend the bottom one because they can have access to everything with the annual pass that they have on that to me. I left out of nothing. So.
Salem, what's up, you little fat fucker? Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. This is just playing around, bruh. I'm about to just close. Better off waiting till fucking China if we're gonna do anything, honestly. I mean, Asia.
Asia,
I feel like this move's gonna happen in Asia.
He has hit that 21 moving average. EMA.
No, okay.
Be right back.
It's good. Yo.
I just seen a video, and it's about a Beamer. It says it's crazy how fast you can get your car when you use your credit card irresponsibly. You should do that. Load them credit cards up. Fuck. Dude, I'm stuck in a way, dude. I don't know what to do, but I kind of already know what to do. It's just like, I don't know
With your
whether to
car?
fucking do it and pull the trigger, yeah. I feel like I should replace the oil pump with a performance one, because I think the guy did an OEM one, which it's idling at 20 psi oil pressure, which I looked up on Google.
Okay, so wait, what's wrong with your car?
Basically, I just have a squeak to a squeal from my rocker arms. And I popped off the valve cover, started the
No,
car.
but the oil pressure is low, though, no?
No, it's normal. But his car is cammed, so and I looked up if cammed affects oil pressure, and it does, because the motor jumps and the car time, it basically pauses for a second. That being said, I don't think an OEM fucking pump is good.
Which LS is it?
It's a 5.3 out of a 2001 Camaro with 5.7 tanks. Which is out of the LS6. Bored out too.
Out of Did you do any upgrades to it?
I have full Valtronic exhaust, VRSF downpipe. I'm getting coilovers next. CSF front mount heat exchanger, RK2 front mount intake, and I got an MMR piggyback too. I'm pushing like 675 right now. Yeah, pretty nice. But I don't know. What do you think about piggybacks and how they are for your car? Like the health of your car?
I don't see anything bad with them.
I would throw thicker oil in there, but I just know if you throw thicker
It's
oil,
like having a dog in a
I
cage.
agree. The S58. I mean, I'm still 16.
Yeah, it could suffocate.
Yeah, it could suffocate.
I don't know if I can
Just 'cause, yeah.
S58s are crazy.
trying to do
People
it,
beat on them and they handle it.
Bro, they're amazing dailies, bro. This is like, this is a 1500 horsepower daily, and it just drove from Azusa over here in an hour and 30 minutes. Like,
It has maps.
it's just basically 1-2. It barely got broken in, but the goal is.
You should just get a new kit, honestly.
This is sick. Matter what color the tubes are on that intake.
I don't think it's bad though.
It is a good
I
combo
swear
too
it's
with
not.
the grease, the carbon and the ribs. There wasn't
I
that
looked
many
at the other
options.
rocker arms, they throw oil on top of
Did
it.
you hear
This
it?
one didn't.
Yeah.
I'm wondering if there's like a blockage, not enough oil
But I mean,
pressure.
it looks good.
Because it's doing it on the other side too, the driver's side.
We did a
I know
10
there's one
millimeter in
on
the
rocker
rear,
arm doing
5
something
millimeter
like that.
front. We did the side
It's
skirts,
not
the
passenger
diffuser
side.
carbon, and then we kept the OEM transporter because the one that you wanted to split, so it's not way too long.
Rear. How do they even make it?
I don't know.
It
It
could
was
just
not
be a
that
bad
So the
adjustment
person that
issue.
makes that front splitter is sending me their rear. Let's go with those rockers there. This like carbon rocker at the bottom sticking out, but paint match this big, and then leave the diffuser carbon. And I don't know about this. Maybe leave that black. Maybe paint that. Did they paint this?
A lot of people paint that part, yeah.
And maybe paint that to make it a little smoother looking. Car looks good. It's sitting nice too. And so this is on the end.
And performance suspension.
Yeah, it could be
And
the
this
lifters,
we
bro.
can't-
I'm telling you.
This is fully maxed out in the rear, fully maxed out in the front.
What do you think height-wise?
He's gonna be driving it. I would need.
Is anything
Why
wrong?
don't you
Just
try
when you
replacing
turn
the
the rear
lifters?
window.
LS3 lifters gotta be cheap as fuck.
Plastics in where you pull out
They're
that like
aftermarket,
juicy
though.
plastic and put just a slice.
Yeah, we could do that. It'll help turns for sure.
Yeah, car looks sick though. Got a lot of vehicles.
1,500
but
miles
things so cool
aftermarket,
to me.
usually
All the engine dress up is pretty
brands
too.
don't do that.
Wonder if when it goes back for some paint touches.
Bro, you don't know
They
how
can.
long
any
this
of the
nigga's been
inside
driving it.
engine bay green,
1,500
so like
miles, I
standard
do.
show car lifted. Yeah, when I
And
get
it
to
could
see
be
a
hella
silver
hard.
radiator,
1,500
I
miles too, bro.
That would make it
Could've been,
that would fit that shit, yeah. And then they also
Usually
How
this
many
part
full
is
tanks is
carbon,
that?
and this part carbon as well.
With this,
How many full tanks is that? Is 1,500 miles?
I don't fucking know, and I don't want to know. I
That's
really
50.
don't.
That is 50 fucking tanks.
both sides. Yeah, gotcha.
I'm gonna turn the car off.
Oh my
Yeah, we have to-
god, that's horrible.
What could you do with the JB4? Like, what does it do?
You could do map switching, so you could go from map to map. He doesn't want to go.
So,
he could also go to like a different map.
theoretically,
number. He
he's
could go to, like,
smashing.
E30, E40. Different maps push different PSI.
Racing, I can see the rockers fucking going out. Especially if you're redlining that bitch, bro.
Nice for a locked ECU.
And I'd also like to be able to control it, so if I ever take the car for a
I mean,
spin,
the
I can
lifter's
put it up,
going out, you
he's
know?
got it, give you down.
It takes like
I'd
30
assume he
seconds to
knew
switch
he
on.
knew
That's
what he
why
was
I don't
doing when he
want
broke
him
it in
having
though.
his phone.
If he's owned two performance shops and he's about to open up another one,
leaving?
that's why he moved to Oregon.
What's the craziest customization you've done for one of your cars?
As far as fixing it up wise?
Yeah, fixing it up wise.
Porsche's got a lot of work done to it, I'd say. Yeah, got new turbos. A lot of work went into that. Right. The neighbors excited.
Did neighbors ever give you a hard time when I read? Yeah?
Yeah, I would say the most hooked up performance would probably be the Porsche. Just because new turbos, new fuel lines, new suspension, wheels, carbon hood, carbon body kit, carbon wing, new steering wheel. A lot of different things were done in that car. SF90 has a ripped kit on it. Makes it look great, but it doesn't really need much performance-wise. Has Valvetronic race pipes, so it sounds good.
These are really fast dog, huh?
Yeah, 1,000 horse.
Out of every car, which one's your favorite?
I love them all, kind of. Like women. How long you guys been working on this car?
Realistically, we've been working on it, I would say, for like...
Oh my god.
Not
in the neighborhood?
On this new setup that it has, it's been worked on for like 3 weeks.
Oh, talking to Mason. One of my first cars at 16, I got like a 323. I think it was like an E46 model. So I Googled it the other day. Horsepower on that thing out of the box was like 170 horse. Now, these cars are coming 600-700, right? It's crazy.
Did you upgrade that first car?
I'll be honest, back when I was a kid, that car I wasn't so into speed with yet. I did like a crazy sound system and I spent all my money there and I had enough money to put wheels on it. And I remember back then Giovanna wheels were the shit. If I put
Alrighty. I'll be on tomorrow.